We all have a lot of questions about 2025. Who was the best actor? Who was the worst actor? What are the best lyrics of a song? What is the worst song? Are there good singers left? All those questions and more. But one question, it already has an answer. What has been the best podcast of 2025? We all know. Yes.
yes.
India's got latent. Yes. Yes, correct. Welcome to another episode of Popcorn. My name is Ashish Agarwal.
Snail and
Abbas Momin.
And today we are bringing in the end of 2025 with the best episode imaginable. Guys, what are we doing today?
We're giving out awards.
Awards! You get an award! You get an award! You get an award!
Even if you're the worst, you get an award.
Yeah.
Imagine.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, yeah, correct.
इससे better awards कहाँ होंगे?
Janhvi Kapoor, congrats. Here we go, buddy. It's one of those episodes.
We are the Razzies and Oscars rolled into one. Everything.
We are, yeah, correct. Because we also deserve some of those awards, I'm sure.
By the way, this year, Golden Globes giving out the best podcast award.
To
us, not
Popcorn.
us.
It'll be crazy. Guys, it's okay enough to be nominated. Enough to be in the running. Alright. So we have a lot planned for this episode.
Yes.
Okay, any announcements before we begin? Memberships, please join a membership.
Please
And hit that like button, subscribe to the channel as we
hype
get started.
videos.
Yeah,
Hype
2025 has been
Full on
very
hype us.
hectic year work-wise, so please become
Kasam se
members
bhai.
and increase subscriptions so this becomes our
Only
loan,
thing.
loan
मतलब आई थिंक
source
हम
of
लोग
income.
हर 2 हफ्ते में मैं अब्बास को या अंतरिक्ष को मैसेज करता हूँ कि दोस्तों अगर हम इस पॉडकास्ट पे अच्छे से ध्यान दे लें तो शायद हम जॉब छोड़ सकते हैं
क्योंकि हम लिटरली आधे घंटे पहले आके डिसाइड करते हैं
swear.
क्या
नहीं, ऐसे मत बोलो यार. आज हमने
मतलब
3.5 घंटे लगाए हैं.
भाई अभी क्या टाइम हो रहा है
अभी
exactly? 12:36 AM एंड हम लोग यहाँ पे 10 बजे से बैठे हैं
हाँ.
डिसाइडिंग कैटेगरीज डिसाइडिंग विनर्स
For you.
फॉर यू
You know, we can give you 2 hours at least.
So the least you can do is become a member.
Yeah, dude.
Or
Come
subscribe
on,
to
man.
the
What
channel.
the
channel.
What the hell? All right. We have again. So we are not doing just regular awards.
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
There's
2,
enough
3.
of those. So if you want those, watch those big shows with Shah Rukh Khan and all.
मतलब
Who wants to screw that, dude?
द अनइंटरेस्टिंग अवार्ड
those Vicky Kaushal, Shah Rukh Khan awards.
जैसे कि कुछ एक्टर्स उन अवार्ड्स को तो डोर स्टॉपर्स की तरह यूज करते हैं
I know, yeah.
Oh, yeah, correct. कौन था वो?
We're not
Salman Khan.
Salman.
Salim Khan.
और
I think he
एक
said Salim Khan's filmfare I used.
नो ही सेड कि वैसे भी अब इतने अवार्ड्स पड़े रहते हैं घर पे कभी कभी डोर स्टॉपर्स की तरह आई एम लाइक ब्रो यू आर अबाउट टू होस्ट द सेम अवार्ड दैट यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट
Bro, so talking about award shows and hosting, right? One of the best award show hosts of all time is the Golden Globes hosted by Ricky Gervais.
Yeah.
Right? Have you seen these?
या
Yeah, I've heard it hosted like 5 times, right?
I think 5 times
Yeah,
at
yeah.
this point, and each time he's brutal.
T.
Okay? He's amazing and brutal. So Ricky has also won a lot of Emmys, especially for The Office and all that, right? UK Office and American Office.
या
So, making fun of the Golden Globes, he talks about how there's nothing you can do with these Golden Globes once you won them. Okay, so you can like put them in your bathroom or something as a door handle or whatever. Okay, he's like, what I do is I keep it on my nightstand for it's not important for you guys to know what I do with it. Well, yes, that's a joke about how I butt fuck myself with an Emmy. Essentially, that's the joke. Okay, it's very very funny. We'll put it on.
ओके
ठीक
है
But coming to our awards.
Yes.
बट
Okay.
अवार्ड्स पे जाने से पहले एक
हाँ.
चीज हमने रियलाइज कर ली कि 2025 बहुत ही फकौल साल रहा है when it comes to
movies, dude.
to movies
Dude, disastrous. Hindi films. when it
Hindi
comes to-
films yeah
You know,
Yeah.
for this exercise, I actually ran down the entire list of movies that released this year, and
Bro,
I counted
same.
how many movies I saw. I saw quite a few movies.
Bro, same. I
Yeah.
saw quite a few films, and हम जब category decide कर रहे थे, none of them are fit. Like all of them are like,
Yeah, exactly, dude.
Like,
अब मेरे को इसको award देना पड़ेगा.
I was like, मतलब
ऐसे
ये
रवत आ
करना
गया.
पड़ेगा
ऐसे रवत आ
इसके लिए.
गया. I saw
Fuck all.
34 films this year.
Oh, I don't have a number, but I saw a lot of them.
I
और
thought,
मैंने
like,
आप दोनों से तो
Hindi
ज़्यादा ही देखी है.
No, about 30 would be Hindi and 4 would be
Okay.
other Indian languages.
I saw 65, which is very less. I usually watch at least more than 100.
Are you
a year.
counting your
Yeah,
lifetime?
No, I put a
Like in
letterbox.
theaters.
Not in theaters, all put together.
Oh, okay.
This
Oh,
year
you
I
went
didn't,
for Mami. You can't not count that and all.
Why not? But
Oh,
this
yeah,
year
you can.
Amami also didn't happen. But
the Mami didn't happen.
I went 32 times to the theater this year, which is a lot
Wow,
as
dude.
compared to last couple of years.
Oh wow.
But Hindi films, very few. All my favorite. Just I could only honestly think of one Hindi film which I thought can make the top 10. Otherwise, most Indian films that I have on my list are Tamil and Malayalam.
भाई ये अलाउड नहीं था.
नहीं ये award show के
Yeah,
लिए
ठीक है,
I
now-
make
अच्छा, फिर ठीक है,
separate,
फिर ठीक
But even
list.
I have a couple of films on my list which are like Kannada or
अरे मेरे को
Malayalam.
बता दे, मैं भी डाल लेता
मैं तो
यार.
बोला था. You both nodded and I was like okay.
yeah.
But still, I've only
अच्छा,
kept
चलो
one.
ठीक है, कोई बात
मतलब
one,
ठीक है.
list.
See, it's only
See,
for
we are a very
categories.
secular podcast, Nihil. We
Yeah.
don't divide on the basis of religion and language.
Yeah. No, but
So whatever Indian language you belong to, you qualify for the
fair,
ठीक
fair.
है.
for the what have you
तो
called?
मतलब हम लोग नेशनल अवार्ड से बेटर हैं इस टाइम.
Actually,
yeah.
ठीक, nice, okay.
But in fairness, like what I did try to do is I tried to run down the list of Bollywood movies that I had seen this year, and if they absolutely did not fit the category, then I had to go.
Fair.
You know,
I
because
agree.
I don't want to give it
And-
to
and
an
there are
undeserving.
quite a lot of films that absolutely don't fit the
Exactly.
category.
dude.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Are
So
we
let's
calling
go-
the award something? Like
Oh,
and
yeah.
and the poppy goes
The
to
popcorn, the popcorny, the
The
cornies,
popcorny.
the
The
cornies. Hey, the corny awards.
The pornies.
Yeah, all permitted in combination of those words. The corny awards.
Corny is nice. Right? The corny goes to.
The corny goes
The
to.
corny goes.
Chalo,
That's a
ठीक है.
great, dude.
It's nice.
Trademark, guys.
Trademark,
Don't
yes.
copy it. No stealing from pop conversation. Okay. So let's go.
Yes.
The first corny category that we have is for the Khatarnak Lyrics Award. So Khatarnak Lyrics Award is the
yes.
song which you felt had the best lyrics. Need not be your favorite song of the year
Yes.
or what you think is the best song of the year.
Yes.
But what do you
Yes.
think are definitely the best lyrics
Yes.
of the year? Which from you? Who of you?
चलो अब्बास भाई you start.
मेरा बहुत boring वो है.
मतलब.
Oh, as usual.
Nothing, no surprises here. So my favorite song
Yeah.
is written by Gulzar Saab.
Yeah.
From
Gustakh Ishq?
From Gustakh Ishq.
Wow, how did I guess that, dude?
It's called Ul Julul Ishq. इसमें मैंने पिछले एक दो एपिसोड हुए मैंने अभी.
Oh, उनकी spelling mistake हुई है.
Bro, so Gulzar
Ul
Saab
Julul.
has this tendency of writing like you know these
Yeah.
words which actually अगर आप देखो तो शायद they don't mean something.
Yeah, onomatopoeia.
हाँ मतलब कि आप ऐसा निमी निमी धूप और
Yeah.
ये सब ठीक है. तो आई थिंक उल जुलूल इश्क की
He also had a movie called Hututu.
Nice. ठीक है तो ऐसा ही ये इसका सेकंड स्टैंजा है आई थिंक. आंखों आंखों में कुछ तो कहते हैं, एक गुटरगू सी करके जाते हैं, ओ कोई खत है या कोई संदेशा, क्यों कबूतर यूं गुनगुनाते हैं, गोलगप्पे हैं गालों में, प्यार छलका है प्यालों में, अध जगी सी आंखों में सुरमा है इश्क, मेरी नादानियां मेरी ख्वाबों की धूल धूल है, ऊल जुलूल इश्क है ये ऊल जुलूल इश्क है. भाई मतलब इसका
मुझे भी हो गया यार.
एक लाइन की गालों में गोलगप्पे वाली जो लाइन है लाइक व्हेन यू स्माइल, ये आपका ऐसे निकल आता है तो गालों में गोलगप्पे. भाई
He called her fat, dude. Don't fat shame her. dude.
Chubby.
गुलजार जी क्या कर रहे हो?
ब्रो अगर आपको ये किसी एक गुलजार साहब की कविता है जो उन्होंने ऐसे लिखी है दैट अ वुमन हैज एज्ड एंड द
I thought you were going to say has AIDS. A woman has AIDS.
no, the woman has aged and
Okay.
he's basically written a poetry like written a piece describing कि वो अब उनको कैसे देखते हैं. तो लाइक उस एक बहुत पॉपुलर रील भी हुई थी इससे जिसपे लोगों ने लिखा था कि आपकी उम्र बढ़ गई है, ये किसी अगर औरत को बताना हो तो गुलजार साहब ने जिस तरीके से लिखा है दैट इज द ओनली एक्सेप्टेबल वे एक तरीके से.
Nice.
बहुत मतलब ऐसा लाइन कि तुम्हारे बालों में चांदी की जो कतारें हैं वो अब सुंदर लगती है ऐसे करके. मतलब ऐसी चीजों से उन्होंने पोएट्री वो लिखी है. भाई गुलजार साहब डिफरेंट. हम एक्चुअली इस अवार्ड का नाम पहले द गुलजार अवार्ड रखने वाले थे.
अरे गुलजार साहब आप. That was going to be the name of this award.
Yes.
Yeah,
But yes,
Abbas. Yes.
Arre,
Khatarnak
you go
lyrics.
next.
Oh, should I go next?
Yeah.
Abbas is embarrassed of his
This
choices.
is my least confident.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Take
So
it.
category,
I
yeah.
have, I feel a great answer. Okay. My favorite lyrics from this year were "Hook step कर हुक्का बार में, नाच जरा नाच मेरे प्यार में, दे 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 दिल, दे 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 दिल, सौदा कर ले तू दिल के कारोबारों में.
profound. profound.
I must say, extremely catchy, and I'm not even kidding. I love this song.
अरे तो but this should be best song, no, not
Dude,
best lyrics.
but lyrics are
also
so much
banger,
better.
Yeah.
Sim-
Hook step,
lyrics-
hookah bar, bro.
Yeah, bro. Hook step, hookah
Yeah.
bar, hook step, hookah bar, and the hook step. Let's not
Literally,
forget.
it's a
this
hook
the
in
step.
the song also is a hook.
Yeah, bro.
But I have to give you
Crazy.
this. I think this film is my best theater going experience of this.
I
year.
don't doubt it, dude.
Best
Amazing.
theater going experience.
Amazing. It shows up. This movie shows up in my list later on.
Same.
in the episode.
Same.
Yeah.
like
so yes.
imagine the state of Bollywood.
Yeah.
अगर हम लोग के अवार्ड्स की लिस्ट में 2-3 बार
Badass Ravi Kumar आ रहे हैं.
स्पूफ फिल्म
Yes.
Badass Ravi Kumar आ रही है.
Best. But it was definitely a highlight of the year because
I agree.
not that it had much to compete with, but it was fucking amazing, dude. Abbas, did you ever get to watching the movie?
No, I actually never got around to watching Badass Ravi Kumar
Oh, okay.
so far. पर अब मेरे को लग रहा है देख के फायदा क्या, मतलब वो थिएटर वाली एक्सपीरियंस तो नहीं होगी.
मतलब वो फिल्म है थिएटर एक्सपीरियंस के लिए वो
Exactly,
film. वो
yeah,
फिल्म आप
yeah.
ऐसे घर बैठ के वो नहीं कर सकते, एंजॉय नहीं कर सकते.
ये वो there are people who made these compilations on YouTube ना, Spider-Man, वो जो 3 Spider-Man वाली थी.
Yeah, sure.
Where they literally like they know the audience will cheer here, so they've paused it. तो घर पे कोई देख रहा है तो awkward pause हो रहा है. कोई कुछ बोल क्यों नहीं रहा है? सब एक दूसरे का मुंह देख रहे हैं.
Wait, they paused it in theaters?
No, there's a slight half a second when Tobey Maguire shows up. They
What?
know they know when Tobey Maguire shows up on screen
वो
in the
नहीं होता,
theater they
the-
would cheer and
Yeah.
laugh. So they don't have a dialogue there. Tobey Maguire is just coming and looking at people
Oh, yeah,
for half a
correct.
second.
वो
Yeah,
क्या कहते हैं उसको,
yeah,
कैश
correct.
ग्रैब शॉट, क्या कहते हैं उसको,
Money shot.
मनी
shot.
शॉट. हाँ,
Yeah,
सॉरी.
Yeah.
हाँ, कैश ग्रैब.
That's fine, dude.
जी मैं रैंडम वर्ड सुन लेता हूँ और उनको जोड़ देता हूँ कहीं पे.
By
घर
the
पे
way, you know
कोई-
what the money shot is
I
in?
know I was about to say
Oh.
but never mind.
Okay,
तू
okay,
गूगल
okay.
कर लेना.
हाँ, तो
फिर
कर
आपको
लेना.
बताना.
कभी और कर लेना.
आप लोग भी गूगल कर.
मुझे
अभी मत कर. अभी मत कर. अभी मत कर.
We might include it in description.
No,
You won't.
I have no.
For those of you who know, you know.
seriously don't know what the money shot is?
No bro.
Okay, so
never mind. Yeah.
okay,
Oh, fuck.
I don't know.
Okay,
If you
say
want to
it.
keep it in, keep it in. You don't know this?
Bro,
called
this
the
cannot
money.
be the only.
That is
It's not the.
not-
that is where the origin of the thing comes
yeah.
from.
That's the money shot.
Shane McMahon का जो finishing move था, that was also called money shot, but it was a tongue-in-cheek reference to that.
Yeah, he would throw.
I suddenly want to puke.
Oh, dude. Yeah, do you want a money shot, dude?
The fuck, bro.
Yeah, so.
Oh, you find out new things every day, man.
Why did we bring up the money shot? For Himesh Resham.
Yeah.
Yeah, Simon Sham, yeah, the money
And
shot.
Tobey Maguire is money.
Yes.
Is money shot.
So for sure, that's
So
best lyrics for me.
hook step, hookah bar is your.
Yeah,
this.
I had another option because
Huh.
just
Which
if you're
one?
throwing out lyrics, there was another like song just because it was catchy also, and lyrics were. At first, I thought the lyrics were very bachkana.
Of this song?
Of, no,
Ah,
of what
okay,
I will
okay.
mention. But over time, I've gone to appreciate कि no lyrics, they've quite well done. Okay?
Okay.
And the song, you guys might disagree completely. It is बाबू सोना क्यूटी 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 यापा हो गया.
that was also your choice.
क्यूटी यापा हो
that's
गया.
my worst
Worst song of the year. I get it. I totally get it,
That's
dude.
literally my
I do
worst.
not. I don't doubt that at all. I don't doubt that at
Bro,
all.
what the fuck?
That's hilarious,
You,
dude.
I think
That's
you
hilarious.
just sit to rage mate. the
Yeah, dude.
entire
That's it. That's part of it. So someone in the comments has
Yeah.
recognized this.
Cute.
And you thought it were good lyrics.
So I thought, like, see, the lyrics grow on you,
And you also
they're
thought that this was
they're
catchy.
memorable. They're memorable for sure. And you, when you after listening to the song, you'd end up humming it and singing along.
ठीक है,
पता है,
we'll get to it when.
मैं आपको बताता हूँ, when I was thinking of the worst song, तो मैंने अपने 2-3 दोस्तों को क्योंकि हमें फॉर द लॉन्गेस्ट टाइम मुझे नहीं मिल रहा था वर्स्ट सॉन्ग कौन सा है, तो मैंने ना 2-3 दोस्तों को मैसेज किया. मैंने कहा यार मुझे फटाफट बताओ ना, तुम्हें कोई गंदा गाना याद आ रहा है क्या. तो दे आर लाइक वो वाला गाना तेनू जग दो ना के, वो वीर पहाड़िया वाला जो
Oh, yeah,
ठीक है दैट सॉन्ग.
ना, ना,
फिर
ना, ना,
सिकंदर
ना,
के
ना,
1-2
ना,
गाने
ना,
बोले. तो फिर मैंने उनको लिखा, मैंने कहा ब्रो एनीथिंग वर्स देन LOVE यापा यापा एंड ऑल ऑफ देम लाइक यार इससे खराब तो नहीं है.
Well, it's about who you hang out with, dude. I hang out with people like Junaid Khan and Khushi
for
Kapoor.
sure,
They
for
like
sure,
these
yes,
songs.
course,
yes,
yeah,
of
yeah,
They
course,
like
of
these
course,
songs.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, my so this song started like I started listening to it as you know as because this was being used in a lot of reels and stuff.
Okay.
And I was like, okay, it's one of those songs that'll just get stuck in my head.
Oh, the
But
Weezer
then,
song.
but then I just started listening to it and started liking it. The lyrics for this song are by Irshad Kamil.
Okay, wow.
It's the title song from Sayyara.
तू तो बदला गई है
मौसम
जरा सा रूठा हुआ है.
So initially I was frustrated with this rhyme scheme also. Okay, Sayyara तू तो
बदला
नहीं है. मौसम जरा सा रूठा हुआ है. इसका rhyming वो का है. But the line that I really liked is and again this is more than the way Fahim Anwar, right? The singer has sung it. बातों में तेरी मैं रातें बिताऊं होठों पे लम्हा लम्हा है नाम तेरा
हाय हुकू हाय.
So the line that I really like, this is more about how the singer Fahim Anwar has sung it, is ये वाली line जो है बातों में तेरी मैं रातें बिताऊं. There's a reason I'm a podcaster and not a singer, okay?
Wow, dude, please sing it. Please, I want to hear you sing it, please.
वो जो एंड में रातें बिताऊं का जो खींचता है ना रातें बिताऊं होठों पे लम्हा लम्हा है नाम तेरा है तुझको ही गाऊं मैं तुझको पुकारूं.
यही है ना
एक फेमस किया था हिमेश
ने,
रेशमिया
दूसरा
और
वो
दूसरा
है ये.
किया है
Nice,
Fahim
man.
Anwar
ठीक है,
ने.
nice.
So yeah, the Sayyara title song grew on me. Like I started listening to it as ironically,
Yeah,
but
okay.
then I
From this movie, I like Barbad a little bit more.
Bro,
कर देगा बर्बाद इश्क मुझे.
ये सैयारा मूवी जब मैं देखने गया था, I think the loudest pop was when this song, yeah. Like
Because-
end में आपने
Yeah.
देखी दोनों ने सैयारा?
हाँ,
हमने पूरा
अच्छा हाँ, हमने
episode
पूरा
किया.
एपिसोड किया था उस पे. हाँ,
Please
sorry.
go back and watch that episode after.
ठीक है, तो एंड में जब वो गाना एंड में
Concert,
आता है,
हाँ.
तो जब
And they
कॉन्सर्ट
built it up the entire movie.
yeah, तो वो फाइनली जब वो गाता है, bro, my theater like clapped and shit. I was like, wow.
Because yeah, dude, they did justice to the. Basically, they built up the song,
song, yeah.
like the story behind this song and why it's important, etc.
Like Hindi cinema used to in
Yeah.
most movies.
Yeah. And then
So, yeah.
the payoff was very good, and how it was shot and how it was displayed. Fucking fair enough, Abbas.
Correct. Yeah,
But
so that
now,
was my-
now that we have our choices, who wins?
Why does he want to declare a
No,
winner?
but is
for-
there
We've
one-
given our awards to all of them.
No,
I think
is
the
there
audience-
one-
like
one
the
best
list-
lyric-
the listeners also say कि end में बताया करो कौन जीत रहा तुम.
Is there one
यहाँ पे
best
गुलजार साहब हुक्का बार हुक स्टेप और एक मजनू वाला गाना.
So Hookah Bar is the winner. You let us know.
गोलगप्पे घुसा दिए मुंह
Yeah.
में. तुम हुक्का बार में.
Now
हो.
you let us know if you have the heart to give Himesh Lyrics the award above Gulzar Saab. You tell us. That's on you guys. Okay? ठीक है. चलो next then.
Yeah.
ये हो गया best lyrics.
Yeah.
अब worst lyrics भी कर ही देते हैं.
Yes, yes.
This category is called Are These Lyrics Award.
Are these
Okay.
lyrics?
या फिर ये भी lyrics होते हैं?
ये भी
Award.
lyrics होते हैं, yes.
ठीक है? And
Which is the worst lyrics category,
yeah.
basically.
Can I go first?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
I have
अब आपके अगर बेस्ट में
हाँ,
LOVE है
this
तो
is-
worst में क्या
You'll
होगा?
good one. He'll have a good option.
आपके worst में जावेद
देख
साहब
लो.
ने तो नहीं लिखे lyrics.
This one-
Antariksh is the guy who's like छैया छैया. Are these lyrics?
जिसके पर हो for me the worst lyrics were foo by foo, foogadi foo, you like me and I like you too. Foo by foo, foogadi foo.
Bro, this is, I'll tell you.
This is Houseful Five.
Bro,
Bro.
I'll tell
Houseful fire.
ये तेरा best lyrics है क्या?
Bro, I googled these.
Yeah.
I googled these
Yeah,
lyrics and
yeah.
I realized this is an old song which they have rehashed.
Oh, I had no idea. I heard it this year. I heard it this year. It
yeah.
applies.
Like a old Hindi film song.
No, I think it's
From folk song.
Marathi.
Acha.
Oh, okay.
He's playing like
Sorry,
a proper Maharashtrian, no, in the film. Yes.
It's so funny this whole song because he's like dancing while coming down in the lift while everyone downstairs is just staring at him.
The thing is कि Nana Patekar dancing on this song is
It's
even
funny.
funnier.
Got
That
it.
is
Yeah,
true.
yeah,
And then
That
he's
is
like,
true.
"Foo, foo, foo, foogadi, foo."
And he's like, we will play Fugdi और जिसने सबसे गंदा फुगड़ी खेला, he is the
murderer है.
killer. He is the murderer.
Oh,
That's how you decide.
seriously?
Well, it is Houseful 5. They had to do something.
Yes. Abbas.
Yeah,
What are
Abbas.
your worst lyrics?
Okay, my worst lyrics are, without a doubt. So there's a little movie that came out a couple of weeks ago, which was called Masti 4. जिसके ट्रेलर में एक गाना बज रहा था, पहले हुई मस्ती फिर हुई ग्रैंड मस्ती फिर ग्रेट ग्रैंड मस्ती अब होगी मस्ती 4।
भाई कैसे वर्स्ट लिरिक्स है ये?
भाई ये दिस इज स्टूडियो में जाते जाते कि इनको तक कुछ बनाना है, क्या बना था पिक्चर का नाम क्या, मस्ती 4, इसके पहले 3 कौन सी आई थी, चलो हो गया, बीट दे दो भाई, एक हो गया ये। What the fuck bro, what the fuck?
पहले आया गोलमाल फिर गोलमाल अगेन, फिर
पहले
गोलमाल
आई हाउसफुल फिर आई हाउसफुल 2।
फिर 3 हाउसफुल और अब है हाउसफुल 4।
God damn it.
God awful।
Yeah, fair enough. It's all bad.
डाला
अब में से किसी ने नहीं देखी ना मस्ती 4?
नहीं भाई नहीं कर सकते।
कौन देखेगा भाई? उन चारों ने भी नहीं देखी। उन तीनों ने। चार।
Anyway, my worst song is a song.
No, worst lyrics.
Worst lyrics,
हाँ.
worst lyrics. It's a song called Sorry Bol.
Okay।
ठीक है? The song is from the film Jat.
Oh, Sunny.
ठीक है? So the plot of the film is,
I know.
Wait,
Sorry,
this
बोल.
is the song that every comedian has to in India has to listen to.
basically after performing a set,
Yeah.
it's basically a mandate.
But the plot of the movie is also Sorry Bol, basically.
Yeah. So plot of the
हाँ,
film
yeah,
is
I remember
right.
this.
ठीक है, चलो good. तो इस गाने की lyrics मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा. This is an item song.
Can I guess the lyrics?
Yes, please.
Like, idli क्यों गिराई? Sorry बोल.
That's the plot.
I know. Exactly. I know that's the plot.
of the
dude.
film.
Yeah.
ठीक है, but यार देखो आइटम सॉन्ग्स में अगर थोड़ा सा सेक्सिज्म, थोड़ा मिसोजिनी,
Oh, this is an item song.
हाँ तो अब वो नहीं डालेंगे तो फिर आइटम
Item
सॉन्ग
song कैसे
आइटम
होगा,
सॉन्ग
हाँ.
कैसे होगा ना?
Correct.
ठीक है, so it's उर्वशी रौटेला
Oh,
डांसिंग.
already love it। That's the first condition of
ठीक है.
worst lyrics।
Is she doing dabdi dibdi on this?
Bro, so the song goes like, गालों को टच किया, बालों को टच किया,
अरे रे रे।
फिर भी तू बच गया. गालों को टच किया, बालों को टच किया, फिर भी तू बच गया. पर तूने कमर जो छूली, ये गलती नहीं मामूली. सरे आम या फिर तू चोरी चोरी बोल. दिल तुझको ही दूंगी पर पहले सॉरी
Sorry
बोल.
बोल. How is this the title track?
तो इसमें गाल और बाल टच करने की क्या जरूरत थी यार?
But where does the title of the song of the movie come in this?
It doesn't।
It doesn't.
The theme of the movie
Then
comes
you say
in
that-
Sorry
Oh,
Bol।
this was this is not the title track. of the
No,
movie.
no, title track to is
Jack।
I thought Sorry Bol Jat. That'll be this song or something. That's the.
नहीं, इससे बेसिकली कि तूने मेरे को अब अच्छे से छेड़ दिया है.
हाँ.
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. कोई प्रॉब्लम
मैं still तेरे को fun करने दूंगी.
मैं आई एम स्टिल इन लव विद यू,
Yes,
लेकिन प्लीज सॉरी
Sorry
बोलना
बोल
एक बारी.
एक बार हाँ. This is consensual, non-consensual sex. CNC.
Yeah, Urvashi Rautela is teaching us
Yeah, that's what it is.
consensual non-consent।
Done with our second category. It's only second category up till now.
I know, yeah। Half an hour in। But
Okay,
10
cool.
मिनट हमने 8 मिनट पे शुरू किया।
ठीक है.
Yes.
Our next one is the unneeded film of the year. The most
Yes.
unneeded. Nobody asked for this. Didn't want this movie of the year.
Yeah।
Award goes to Abbas.
A film called Sitare Zameen Par, which was made by Amir Khan. Nobody
But
asked
nobody
for
asked
this.
for it. He is
There was
right.
no need.
He
it
is
didn't
right.
make any dent
He's
in
absolutely
the
right.
legacy of the original film. Or whenever people think of Amir Khan movies, it'll be a while before someone remembers, oh, I also did Sitare
Bro,
Zameen
there
Par.
are so many other films that were unneeded.
Sure,
Correct,
but
but
for
he's-
me, this is the
he's
one
fair,
that,
dude.
that was the most unneeded one.
But
Amir
this is
Khan
also-
could have done anything with the resources that he had, with the money that he has. He made a frame-to-frame remake of a Spanish film, which is okay. And yeah, it was a very forgetful film. I have to remember, oh yeah, Amir Khan put out a movie this year. Just a very, very average,
is forgetful, yeah, it's
very forgetful film. I don't think this
Forgettable.
film was-
Forgetful to hum hai about the movie.
Forgettable film. Yes. Yeah, nothing about this film was memorable and just a waste of time.
What,
Yeah.
bro? Fuck. Okay, ठीक है.
Why you?
क्या तेरे को बहुत impact किया क्या
नहीं,
सितारे
but
ज़मीन
but
पर?
ऐसा नहीं. Like,
I mean,
it's
see,
like, I'm
he's
sa-
right
I'm
in saying
कि
nobody asked
इससे
for it.
ज़्यादा बहुत खराब. Like award का मतलब
ठीक है, but for me it's like you have the resources. You are Amir Khan. You could have made anything.
ठीक
You made a nothing
Did you
movie.
guys watch the announcement trailer for the
Patel, Happy
Veer Das
Patel.
one?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Happy
yeah,
Patel.
Veer Das and
Sounds fun.
Vedant.
Looks fun.
Looks fun. Looks
very
fun.
very Delhi Valley coded.
Yeah.
Also has
Not that it's a
Imran
bad thing. It has
Also has
Imran
Imran Khan,
Khan. Yeah, not that it's a bad thing. Being Delhi. Okay, ठीक है.
Sitare Zameen
Sitare Zameen Par.
not needed. Nobody asked for
Absolutely,
this.
absolutely. Nobody did ask for it, and it, like what bad sequels do is they hamper the legacy of
the
the original.
But was it like a bad film?
I mean,
It was a nothing movie. It didn't
Yeah,
make
dude.
a lot of money.
Yeah.
It
हाँ,
was
मतलब
not.
it was average. It was not like
Dude,
a
it was
banger
very
like
lukewarm.
Tare.
And
कुछ
the thing is,
impact
it's,
नहीं है
and you
movie
know
का.
that it's been remade so many times that also
Yeah.
dampens its
Yeah.
impact.
Fair, okay.
For sure, dude. तेरा कुछ है?
Mine
Most
was
unneeded.
Nadania.
Nadania.
Oh, the
Then
debut
let
film.
me extend your answer.
Uh,
My answer is Nadania, Lavyapa both. Plus Sunny Sanskari and Param Sundari both. So that entire Khushi Kapoor,
Wow.
Janhvi Kapoor Khandan
Wow,
are
man.
just unneeded.
Jeez, at
This
this
entire
point, it's
year-
personal
this
for
entire
everyone.
year- it's
I
unneeded.
swear, आगे जाके कभी हम इतना बड़ा बन गए कि हम लोग सेलिब्रिटीज बुला पाए तो हमें
तब
ये वाले
तब तक जानवी कपूर आसपास नहीं होने वाले. She's not gonna be acting anymore.
आर्काइव करने
Yes.
पड़ेंगे.
Yes, it's what it is. This is like, like if we were you guys watching Big Boss this
No,
year?
not
Okay,
really.
but you know that Praneeth More, the comedian, was in the house.
Yeah.
And Salman, he has made a lot of jokes on Salman.
On Salman, yeah.
Okay, and Salman addressed it multiple times. So this is that for us. if we ever meet Janhvi Kapoor,
You are saying
And
we
she
are
like-
at the level of Salman Khan.
no,
No,
we are
only
Praneeth
Janhvi
More.
will ask
We are
us.
Praneeth More, dude. And she is
Acha.
Salman Khan.
To
She's like-
you, not we. You.
and you guys both will have to defend me, dude, because
Can
that's
I,
what good
can I
podcast
ask
co-hosts
though,
do.
your Nadania, was it debut vehicle for both these
Yes,
games, right?
yes,
So,
yes.
so that was its purpose. It was supposed to be a
तो
debut
फिर
launch.
अच्छी बनानी चाहिए थी. Like very honestly, it's as
No,
useless of a
but
film as it can get.
खुशी कपूर का ये नहीं था.
डेब्यू नहीं था,
अच्छा.
डेब्यू
इब्राहिम
उसका
का
था,
था.
इब्राहिम का था. इब्राहिम की दूसरी फिल्म भी आई थी इसी साल, सरजमीन, which again was like did not do well on the OTT. दोनों फिल्म्स उसकी OTT थी. I feel सैफ अली खान सन अगर वो लॉन्च हो रहा है तो पहली बात तो थोड़ी प्रेपरेशन के साथ हो.
वही ना. Saif learned something from Shahrukh, yeah. How to launch yourself.
And yeah, bro, like no, it was not like as a debut also it was not needed, and especially as a debut it was not.
But it
needed.
was needed for all the memes, yeah. Otherwise,
It's fair.
fair,
That's fair.
fair. That I agree. It was
Tare
needed
did
for
give
all
us,
the-
even give us good memes or comedy.
That's true.
Anyway,
It did
you,
not.
you tell us why your 4 films were not needed.
Do I need I say more than the star cast of that film? I don't think so, dude. Dude, horrible movies, all of them. None of them had left any impact. Again, forgettable. And dude, none of them. I can't point to a good moment that I remember from the movie that stayed with me. Any good?
Bro, जानवी कपूर का मोहिनी अट्टम नहीं पसंद आया आपको परम सुंदरी में?
यार बहुत अच्छा था. Correct. You are right.
Hey, Param Sundari
Oh,
gave
wo-
us.
Just tagdum tagdum
Yeah,
ta
yeah, yeah.
na 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 na.
Yeah.
But हाँ,
That
Nadania
alone.
had 0 good songs also.
There you go.
Nadania had 0 good songs. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, so see, if these movies go away, the year
Yeah,
is
they
still
will not make any
as bad.
difference.
so tension नहीं
Yeah.
इतना.
ठीक है, fair. I agree.
Yeah.
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 Agreed.
Fair enough. Okay, then let's go from the
Shame
most
on
unneeded ones.
all your movies.
Okay. So then from the most unneeded movie, that is one of the worst movies of the year. We go to Thank God It's Friday. The movie that made you feel,
Oh,
"Ki,
nice.
thank God
Yes.
it's Friday. I have a good movie to go to. What is your most favorite movie of the year, or your most favorite movie going experience of the year also?
So movie going experience तो as I said
Badass.
has to be bad,
Badass.
but
Badass.
badass. हाँ, sorry, not bad.
Yeah.
But the Thank God It's Friday film for me was Homebound.
Same, yeah.
Wow,
The
okay.
thing is, the
Yeah, I
category
get
name makes it feel like, thank God it's Friday, it's
Yeah.
pumped up.
Yeah.
Homebound does not
Yeah.
give you that feeling.
That feeling, yeah.
But yeah, it's.
But
yeah.
पूरे साल में जो एक अच्छी फिल्म लगी वो भी sadly कुछ cuts
के साथ
आई यहाँ पे. But then Homebound is one film that everyone should watch. It leaves you with this feeling कि चलो शुक्र है मैंने फिल्म देखी है.
Correct, yeah.
So, and I think that's like very few films gave me that experience. One was this one, Homebound.
Homebound.
Homebound, and the other one I've mentioned अभी मेरा जो best song था वो उसका ही था, गुस्ताख इश्क also gave me that feeling, and there's this another film that gave me that feeling, but वो मेरे आगे के awards में तो फिर मैं वो आपको तब बताऊंगा.
Okay.
Okay, great. Yeah.
For me also my favorite Hindi film of the year is Homebound. But this feeling, the thing that encapsulated this feeling, thank God
Was
it's
Loka.
Friday, was Bads of Bollywood. Like it's not a movie, it was a web series.
fair,
But I felt like something that had hype, something that we were excited for,
And something that delivered also.
and something that delivered. I enjoyed myself, I laughed,
for sure. I agree.
was entertained through
Yeah,
all
yeah,
the
yeah.
episodes.
हाँ.
Everything was like banger.
I agree.
There was few shortcomings, which is absolutely fine.
Have they
but
announced when season 2 is coming?
I don't think
They've
so.
not announced only season 2.
Yeah.
But there are rumors
greenlit
that
तो
they've,
हुई-
yeah, but yeah, it has been greenlit. और आर्यन खान को अपना नया एक गैग भी मिल गया है प्ले करने के लिए. Did you see he got an FIR filed against
Oh, हाँ,
अभी इस पे
वानखेड़े?
नहीं बेंगलुरु में he was
showed a
like
middle
partying.
finger.
He was partying
yeah,
and something
Arun,
and उसने
that's
ऐसा
so
middle finger
stupid,
दिखा
man.
दिया और किसी ने उस पे FIR डाल दिया. Middle finger क्यों दिखा
क्या
रहा है?
चूर रहते हैं दुनिया में यार. ये भी
अब आप
कोई
पे भी आएगा.
पर ये भी कोई बात है. ये भी कोई बात है.
As मतलब
Sorry, don't put FIR on us. Oh my god.
So yeah, Bads of Bollywood is my this thing. I have a third option, which is a Tamil film I saw called Bison Kalamadan, which is about which is made by Mari Selvaraj, which has everything. It is a story of a kabaddi player who comes from an oppressed caste. So it has an underdog story, it has action, it has politics, it has gangster stuff in it.
Okay.
So that was one Tamil film that I watched and I was totally मतलब मजा आ गया पिक्चर वो देख के. वो जो अब Netflix पे स्ट्रीम कर
अभी
रही है,
यहाँ मैं
अगर आप देखना
अभी-
चाहो तो प्लीज देख लो. So yeah, Bads of Bollywood and Bison Kalamadan were two things where I felt like fuck yeah, like glad it's Friday.
Okay, great man.
Yeah.
I would say that I was very tempted to give this to Loka because Loka was a very
Yeah,
good
yeah, yeah,
movie going
Yeah.
experience.
Loka
also.
was very good. Dude.
Very good.
Very good.
And I haven't seen it since the I think OTT पे आ गया ना.
Yeah, Hotstar.
But I haven't seen it since the theater. I want to watch it again. But the movie I think that came out of nowhere from me and stole my heart this year. So From So. It's a Kannada movie.
Right.
And I cannot. You saw it in the end.
No, I haven't seen it yet.
I cannot vouch for this movie enough. Hardly anyone has seen it.
Bro, Sue
It
from
is
So के shows
amazing.
ही नहीं थे.
See, shows ही
एक
नहीं
show
थे.
था.
एक ही शो था.
Correct,
सिर्फ.
correct. You're
वो
absolutely right.
उल्लासनगर में था वो भी शायद.
Acha, nahi,
New
luckily
Bombay
when I
or
saw it,
Ulhasnagar,
it was
something
there.
like
It was set in our
that.
city.
Haan.
And dude, it was so fun. Again, I have quickly to describe the plot because nobody's seen the movie. It's about this guy who's about to get caught in his village doing something shady. Okay, and so to get away with it, the excuse he makes is, I got possessed by a
Yeah.
ghost.
Yeah.
And then the rest of the story is just about people trying different ways to get rid of the ghost that has entered this guy's body, which is a fake ghost. Okay, so it's such a hilarious premise.
Yeah.
Most of the movie is hilarious. There's also like a very poignant message at the end of it that plays out very well. Beautiful. I cannot tell you how amazing this movie is. If you have not seen it, please do yourself a favor. and watch
I
it.
remember I put it on OTT पे मैंने चलाई थी.
हाँ.
But I think starting के ही कुछ एक दो सीन में ना 2-3 जंप स्केयर आ जाते हैं पहले 5-7 मिनट में. I feel. तो ठीक है मैं I'll tell you, no, I'll tell you what.
It's hardly a horror movie.
I
dude.
know, it's fine.
It's a
So,
comedy horror.
मैं रात को 1:30-2 के करीब वो ना सैटरडे नाइट लगा के बैठा था.
हाँ.
ठीक है, तो आई वाज लाइक चलो ये देख लेते हैं. भाई वो 2-3 जंप स्केयर आए, मैंने कहा भाई अभी तो नहीं हो पाएगा, दिन में देखूंगा आराम से बैठ के. बस वो दिन अभी आया नहीं है, बट वो मैं उसमें देख लूंगा.
That's
Okay.
crazy. That's crazy.
Nice. I think all of
Yeah.
us have good
I would
choices.
also like to give a shout out to another movie which I really enjoyed when I watched it. Kantara 2 was a
Kantara
baller
Chapter
watch.
1.
Kantara Chapter 1,
Yeah.
yes. Was a baller watch. The scale that
Wait a minute, you just spoke about a female ghost and now you're saying Kantara. What are you trying to, what are you trying to say, Antariksh? What are you trying to say, huh? What are you trying to say?
Whoa, bro, what a catch, dude. That's very well done. Very well done.
Good one.
Amazing. But yeah, the scale.
And Ranveer, this is how you save your ass
Yeah,
when you
bro.
get in trouble. Sorry, go ahead.
No, I'm just saying.
But that
Kantara
has
Chapter
to
1
be the
was-
dumbest moment of 2025.
Oh, we'll get to that.
We will get to that.
We'll
Yes.
get to that.
Oh, God.
Yeah, just shout out to Kantara
Kantara.
Chapter 1. Yes, absolutely.
Nice, both two Kannada films.
Yeah, man. Fuck it.
Thinking of moving to Bangalore.
What am I? Anurag Kashyap?
next is
Nice.
the next category we have. The next corny category we have is the कान खुश award. Like जैसे कि दिल खुश होता है
हाँ
मूवी देख के या कुछ करके, ये कान खुश भी तो हो सकता है गाना सुन के.
true
So which has been your most favorite song of the year? Doesn't have to be the best lyrics,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
a most favorite song of the year.
Wanna go
Abbas,
first?
you want to go first?
So I have two answers. The Hindi answer is Pardesiya from
Bro, Sonu Nigam.
Yeah, Sonu Nigam, and again it had that 2000s Rahman
Yeah,
feel.
I
This
agree.
could have been easily on the Satya soundtrack
Yeah.
or something like that, right? Param Sundari का गाना.
Yeah.
तो ये मेरा हिंदी वाला आंसर है. My favorite song of the year. I haven't seen the movie yet, Param Sundari. But the song that was my most heard song of the year, again, is a Tamil song. The title track from Coolie, जो रजनी सर के एंड में बजता ना फ्लैशबैक बना है पावर हाउस कूली पावर हाउस से ब्रो क्या भाई अनिरुद्ध एंड रजनी जो the swag that they bring
Yeah.
bro I mean I would listen to this song and walk on the road and feel like I'm the hero of a movie, dude. Bro, kya song? Again, I don't understand Tamil. I don't know what they are saying exactly. But the freaking swag and the way the song is used in the movie is phenomenal. So, Powerhouse.
ऐसा मेरे साथ last year हुआ था Jailer
Jailer वाले उसमें है.
Bro, I think
नहीं वो तो Powerhouse का ही गाना है. हाँ, Jailer title song was
वो
also
था,
great.
Talaiva.
Yeah, Talaiva, yeah. Yeah, amazing. So, two very distinct choices. Param Sundari, Pardesiya and Powerhouse.
Pardesiya was actually on my list also.
Ah,
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I have. Should I go next?
हाँ please.
So I'm gonna cheat in this one.
Okay.
Okay. It's a song from a movie.
is a cheater. He's a
Thanks, man. Yeah, call me Shah Rukh, yeah. Nice, man. I like it. I'm gonna cheat here because the movie whose song this is has not released yet. It's gonna come out in 2026.
Okay.
The movie is called Peddi,
Okay.
and the song is Chikri Chikri.
Okay.
It's the A.R. Rahman song with Mohit Chauhan. It's amazing.
Yeah.
What
And
movie is this?
this is the man. It's a Janhvi Kapoor movie.
Oh, look.
Bro, the
With,
movie Mahesh Babu and Janhvi Kapoor.
Acha, okay.
Not Mahesh Babu, bro. It's Ram Charan, dude. So Chikri Chikri, man, I love the music is amazing. The choreography seems damn fun. Ram Charan's in the song is having a great time. Mohit Chauhan and A.R. Rahman are in the video. Have you seen the song by the way?
I've seen
I'll
the
check
song.
it out.
Amazing,
Bro,
so
it's
good.
one weird ass hook step also. वो पता नहीं अपनी
So
jeans
it's-
में हाथ डाल के hook step कर रहा है.
It's a mix between like Janabe Ali, the hook step. Janabe Ali. So it's kind of like that, and a little bit of Tawba Tawba. That it's like a little mix between them, the hook step. I really dig this song. I've been listening to it
एक चीज
non-stop.
मुझे नहीं समझ में आई why उन्होंने जानवी कपूर को सेम लुक दिया जो जानवी कपूर का देवरा में था. Have you like
Bro, अब साउथ इंडियन जाके यही तो लुक होएगा. अब क्या बोलने का? क्या बोलने का?
why would you say this?
I don't know. Cut that out if you have to. I don't know, dude. Is that offensive?
No,
to
keep
say?
it. Now you are worried about being offensive to Janhvi Kapoor.
No, I'm worried about being offensive to all of South India, dude.
It's okay. You chose two Kannada films for.
Yeah, that's
best
true.
film.
देखो ना भाई. इतना तो बनता है भाई. इतना तो बनता है. अब तुम जानवी कपूर को नहीं लो पिक्चर में तो नहीं मजाक उड़ाएगा तुम्हारा. मेरी गलती है.
पूरी मिसोजिनिस्टिक पिक्चर में एक मोनोलॉग जो आ जाता है. That's
हाँ,
him choosing two Kannada films.
Yeah.
So if I can just read some of the lyrics of the Chikri Chikri song. So this song has been sung by Mohit Chauhan in the Telugu version also and in the Hindi version also. I prefer the Hindi version more.
Because
just-
you understand
yeah,
the
I
Hindi
guess.
version, of course.
But
yeah.
But I prefer the Tamil powerhouse version.
but I've heard that even people who understand both the languages are preferring the Hindi version.
Oh, really? Okay.
Oh, wow.
Because I guess maybe Mohit Chauhan is more comfortable in Hindi.
Probably,
That might be
probably.
it or something. I don't know. I'm not sure. But the lyrics of the song, again, very unique lyrics. Go like this. चंदाई देखा अक्खा बाजू माँ हमरा रखा ये देख के मनवा ये देख के मनवा दैया दा धक्का समझ दैट
It's not even Hindi, this is Avadhi. Avadhi नहीं क्या कहते हैं उसको?
क्या बोलते हैं
नॉर्थ इंडियन हिंदुस्तानी भी नहीं एक्चुअली या बड़ी अवधि के करीब है ये.
Okay.
जो लगान में जो
very
ज़बान
very
बोली
good
गई
lyrics.
थी.
Just if you can do a better job at reading it, then please go ahead and read them.
मन में
Yeah.
ओही हमरे मन में
Yeah, yeah.
सपना जो है
Oh,
तुम्हारा
चिकरी. चिकरी 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 चिकरी
Wow.
रिमिक्स कर दिया हम लोगों ने.
He gave up mid lyrics and he's like, fuck this,
Yeah,
bro.
let me just sing the chorus.
So the thing is, the next part of the song goes, Angiya. So I don't know what Angiya means.
Angiya is
ठीक
your
है.
body.
Okay.
अंग, हाँ.
अंगिया शोभे नव लखा दर्पण से नैन मटक्का हो जाम से हमरी सांसों का चक्का हो चिकरी चिकरी चिकरी
ये रहने ही
Good
चाहिए.
song, good song. आप लोग सुन लो यार, आप देख
चिकरी
लो.
चिकरी तक ठीक है.
I'm not doing it justice at all.
Avoid copyright strikes, guys. That's what
Yeah.
we're doing.
Basically.
I'm actually not doing it justice at all.
What? No way.
Yeah, dude. Oh, you think I'm that good? Thanks, man. But
It sounded like Mohit
I
Chauhan
cannot.
joined
I
us.
cannot.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
Rockstar 2 में आपको होना चाहिए.
Thank you, man.
Fair.
Imtiaz Ali.
So
Yes.
the corny goes to Chikri Chikri.
Chikri
Chikri chikri.
According to me, super corny.
So
yes.
my Kankush song award,
Mm.
the corny goes to Dil Ka Kya from Metro in Dino.
Ah, okay. I was thinking this was.
This is the
yeah.
one in the cafe.
I was like, someone should represent the music of Metro.
Metro.
the
Bro,
the one in the cafe, right?
No.
It's the beginning of the movie.
भाई अब ये
अच्छा
नहीं
होता
पता
है?
मेरे को पिक्चर में कहाँ आता है बट ये
बजता
गाना बहुत
रहता है।
बढ़िया है. बजता रहता है, पैपों गाता है, मजा आ जाता है भाई.
कौन सा? How did it go? How did the song go? Papao.
क्या प्रोनाउंसिएशन है उसके नाम का?
I thought it was Papon.
तो मैं
Papon ही है.
अरे
यार.
पैपों वही यार वो मैं हंस
तूने
दिया बस एंड में.
तूने
It sounds like
नौ को नुक्ति कर दिया तूने.
It's like
Papon
that-
का
it's-
Papon.
It sounds like that
Nukta.
Sanjay Mishra character speaking. Papao. You know exactly what I'm talking about.
मैं अभी मैं एक्चुअली आते हुए वही सुन रहा था दिल का क्या बिकॉज आई न्यू कि हम लोग को ये कैटेगरी करनी है सो वेरी ब्यूटीफुल ट्रैक भाई मेट्रो इन दिनों मुझे लाइक इफ यू रिमेंबर हमने जब वो एपिसोड किया था तो मैंने कहा था भाई इतनी भी कुछ खास फिल्म नहीं है
नहीं तेरे को तो बेकार लगी
बहुत ही
थी.
बकवास लगी थी.
बहुत ही बकवास तो नहीं
बहुत ही बकवास लगी थी भाई तेरे को. तू बोल तो
You
मत.
were
पसंद नहीं
hell-bent
आई
on
थी.
saying it's a bad film.
बैड बोल रहा था मैं चलो हो सकता है अभी मैंने उस सबसे मैंने देखी भी नहीं बट
No, I also saw it. It's very average.
एवरेज फिल्म ओनली नो या आई एग्री
Alright.
तो उसके आई थिंक all the 4 concepts that they've picked concepts very good the execution I didn't like that much and especially the concept of Pankaj Tripathi and Konkana very beautiful concept but
Implementation.
stretched to death नहीं होना चाहिए था वो उतना stretch but anyway banger album मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी जिसका ये गाना दिल का क्या it has grown on me and I have been listening to this song since forever इसका वो वाला लाइन पिछलेगी पल देखा तुझे तो यही था भाई बहुत सही बहुत बढ़िया आई थिंक कान खुश सॉन्ग ऑफ द ईयर द कॉर्नी गोज टू दिल का क्या
Okay.
Okay, that's our favorite song of the year done.
And do we know which Korean song Pritham lifted this from?
oh no not yet
Not yet.
the day Instagram finds that out I'll come back to
Okay,
this
sure. Yes.
वो साइरस बोलता ना I'll get back to you on this
The next one is ये गाना सुनकर मैंने कान खुशी कर दी.
So stupid. Well, some of these categories are a stretch. Yes, the name is a stretch.
Kaan
This is-
Khush, Kaan Khushi. Get it?
Kaan
guys?
Khushi. You get it, right?
देखा,
Yeah,
देखा.
yeah, you get it. right?
खुशी से खुद खुशी कर ले.
Are you having sex while doing
Yeah,
this?
wait, are you showing us what a money shortage again?
What is that?
But yeah, who wants to go first?
The
for
worst song of the year.
The
according
worst
to you.
song, bro. It has to go LOVE Yapa Yapa. Bro, it is bad.
It is not that
it is
bad.
bad. It is
not
bad.
bad.
You cannot possibly bring up a worse song than LOVE Yapa Yapa. What the fuck is Yapa Yapa?
You know. Actually, there was a song from Gustakh Ishq that was the worst. No, not just saying that because he hates my song. It's all good. But do you have a worst song?
Love
Love
Yapa,
Yapa.
bro. LOVE Yapa
Love Yapa only.
Yapa.
Okay,
Yaqeen
actually.
नहीं कर रहा है कोई और?
Like, come on, it can't be that bad.
So,
It's not really on the list, right?
So I have two this thing for this. I can't recall what this song is called, but that song from Son of Sardar, which is a sequel to Pom Pom.
पहला
नहीं वो तो ठीक है. Gana as a Gana is not bad. Where they're blowing cheeks,
Oh
their
yes,
cheeks.
yes. Pom pom pom.
हाँ वो यही गाना है
इसका
ना इसका
sequel.
सीक्वल. हाँ मुझे याद भी नहीं वो गाना
हाँ,
but
समझ
बहुत ही
गया मैं.
frustrating गाना है. And second hot take, controversial take. So this song when it became viral was fun, but then very soon it became like a earworm, which I just wanted to get out of my ears. Just Ghafoor from Bads of Bollywood. Okay, like, okay, guys, we get it. It's supposed to be like, it's supposed to,
Fair, I can
right?
see that.
It's just
I can
after
see
a
that.
while, I was like, okay, can you just stop this? Please?
It was
Like,
overused.
It was
did get
overused,
yeah,
and
yeah.
But that
Yeah.
cannot be like the worst song. Like it.
कान खुशी कान खुशी हर बार जब मैं सुन रहा था मतलब बस करो यार अभी ठीक है हो गया
Khan Kushi, but then he sees who's in the song and he's like, oh, our eyes are happy.
कान खुशी is but आँख खुशी.
Aankh Khush. Aankh Khush and Khan Kushi.
so yeah
तो
those
फिर
two.
इसने गाना म्यूट पे सुनना स्टार्ट किया.
Of course, we're talking about the Gulshan Grover gang.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, of
Gulshan
course.
Grover, bro, bad man. Oh my bad man.
Yeah, yeah.
तो ये दो गाने मेरी कान खुशी वाले बहुत
पहला कौन सा था वो पॉपो का सीक्वल.
पॉपो whatever the song is
Yeah.
called
Yeah, मेरा कुछ खास नहीं है. I don't have
It's
something
fine.
in this.
अभी तक भी
But-
वही
नहीं,
वैसा
लव
ही
या
But
आपका
I would say
best बना
take any song from Sunny Sanskari.
wow
दिया.
सनी
पूरी
संस्कारी
पिक्चर दे दी
Yeah,
तुमने
भाई
भाई.
सनी संस्कारी के गाने ठीक थे. कौन
भाई नहीं.
क्या बात कर रहे हो भाई वो पनवाड़ी की तरह
पनवाड़ी
चला.
बस ठीक था. बाकी तो
Bro, बेजूरिया खराब लगा
बेजूरिया
आपको?
गाना
वो तो remake है.
रीमेक है.
हाँ.
Can't doesn't exactly count, but worse choreography. Coming up.
तूने ये पिक्चर देखी मत देख.
नहीं.
तूने ये पिक्चर देखी मत देख.
Hey, I'm typing on a typewriter. Type again. Okay.
you really feel like doing Kaan Khushi when you hear any song from Sunny
No,
Sanskari?
I just don't have a good answer. That's what I'm saying.
okay
Yeah.
ठीक है.
And when in doubt, always shit on Janvi Kapoor. That is my answer. Okay.
वाह क्या एक्टिंग कर रहा है वो.
हाँ,
Next.
next category
वाह क्या एक्टिंग कर रहा है.
वाह,
वाह
क्या
क्या
acting कर
एक्टिंग कर रहा है. वाह क्या एक्टिंग कर रहा है.
क्या
This
acting
is
कर रहा है.
best actor of the year according to us.
Yes,
Actor actress.
yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah.
Acting कर रहा है and कर रही है. Are we doing
Yeah,
both?
yeah, same.
Okay. Say, you want to start?
So इसमें मैंने दो कैटेगरीज बनाई है. तो वो पहली बनाई है पॉपुलर, बेस्ट एक्टर पॉपुलर,
अच्छा, ओह,
एंड बेस्ट
Filmfare.
एक्टर क्रिटिक्स.
दोनों तू ही है
क्रिटिक भी मैं, पॉपुलर भी मैं. सो पॉपुलर में बेस्ट एक्टर मैंने दिया विकी कौशल, छावा.
Yeah,
Okay.
fair. Totally fair.
बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस सानिया मल्होत्रा, मिसेस. एंड क्रिटिक्स में बेस्ट एक्टर आई हैव गिवन विशाल जेठवा फॉर
okay.
होमबाउंड. एंड बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस क्रिटिक्स नहीं है मेरे पास.
अच्छा ठीक है
Okay, by the way, Sana Malhotra, Mrs. Same
हाँ,
in
fair.
women. And
I didn't know you had to give an actress also. I've only picked.
That's fine, dude.
Am I sexist, guys?
मेरे पास भी क्रिटिक्स का एक्ट्रेस नहीं
no,
है.
we did not discuss it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
ये
yeah,
आपको
We didn't tell
गूगली
you.
दिया.
Yeah,
Okay,
you're right.
okay.
You're right. You're fair.
हाँ ठीक है. So you gave Vishal Jetwa. My क्या acting कर रहा है was Ishan Khattar.
हाँ,
I
nice.
think he's equally good.
Yeah, I agree.
If not
I agree.
better in the film. So Ishan Khattar over the years has been showing sparks of good performances in Homebound. I think ना पूरा फट के बाहर आया है जो.
कसम से आई एग्री, आई कंप्लीटली एग्री
Yeah.
ब्रो. विशाल जेठवा की एक्टिंग मुझे मर्दानी 2 में बहुत अच्छी लगी थी. सलाम वेंकी मैंने देखी नहीं है, बट उसमें भी आई एम श्योर ही मस्ट हैव डन अ वेरी गुड जॉब बिकॉज ही इज अ ब्रिलियंट एक्टर. एंड होमबाउंड तो ब्रो ही हिट इट आउट ऑफ द पार्क. विशाल जेठवा.
Yeah. Don't give footage to your actor. It's my Ishan Khattar.
Yeah, dude. You just stole the category.
So
yes,
yeah.
so yes, Abbas, you're right. Vishal Jetwa.
And if I had to give it to an actress, I'd give it to the lead of the film Loka, the Priyadarshan. I forget her first name.
Kalyani Priya.
Kalyani Priyadarshan was really good in Loka. Looking the part was one thing, but I think she's also really good. And
Yeah, she could be a very good critics also. Like
Oh, really?
जो
Yeah.
category. Very good.
तूने उल्टा कर दिया. She could be popular and Sana Malhotra could be critics' choice for Mrs.
अब दोनों हो सकते हैं.
दोनों
But
हो
whatever,
सकते हैं.
it's
दोनों
not
हो
like
सकते
you actually have popular and critic. It's just you. So for me,
हैं. So left
Kalyani.
side of my brain is popular.
Kalyani Priyadarshan and Ishan Khatter are my choices for
Alright.
क्या acting क्या यार.
Nice.
Totally fair. So as I said, Mrs. for
How did Ishan Khatter do
Sana
the
Malhotra?
Royals and
I don't know,
Homebound
man.
in the same
That's what I mean. Fair, bro. If you go,
Yeah.
He also did that Nicole Kidman Netflix show.
Yeah.
So, bro, as long as you're getting your dollars and you're getting to do films like Homebound.
one of you know, like
Sure.
one for you, one for them.
One for them,
year?
yeah.
Yeah, fair,
That's one of
fair,
those.
fair.
Count me out.
Totally.
Okay, Sana Malhotra, as I said, I agree with you, Mrs. I think though this year, acting wise, male performers wise, will be called the year of Akshay Khanna when we
Oh.
look back on the year.
Okay.
So it would only be fair. I know again recency bias because Dhurandhar was this thing, but I think a few months down we'll still be talking about Akshay Khanna's performance.
Because Dhurandhar 2 will come.
But Akshay
I'm
Khanna
right.
will not be there.
May
So
not
I'm
be
right.
in it, yeah.
I'm
But
right.
Akshay Khanna will not be
Bro,
there.
I
May
think
not be there, but
considering
Flash
the-
Flash में कुछ हो सकता है ना, you never
considering
know.
the public
Flash,
reaction,
you never
they'll
know.
pick out footage. from
Correct.
the
अब
public.
इतना प्यार हुआ है लोगों को.
फ्लैशबैक में वही गाने पर डांस कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, yeah. The bush, bush, with the bush, bush. Dude, I love that song, dude. That's
Yeah.
so good.
Crazy song,
So good.
bhai.
So I think absolutely he already had
What else did he have this year?
Chhawa.
Oh, okay, right.
He was already great in that. Also, he got a lot of praise for that also. And this though he Dhurandhar mein he knocked it out of the park and how, dude.
Yeah,
he
I
looked
agree.
fucking full of swag. Dude, he enters so right. Most villain characters would be shown entering doing something heinous.
Yeah.
He showed at his bottom, right?
Hmm.
The character is just lost his son, enters crying, and even then he is intimidating, and you're like, and also kudos to Ranveer because again he's also amazing.
Yeah.
So a close second as to the actor of the year or performance of the year. But Ranveer also in that moment he downplays his whole के अच्छा कहाँ से है तू बंदूक के बारे में कैसे
Bro,
बता?
I completely
he
agree.
downplays
Yeah,
it
yeah.
so well, so masterfully well. And Akshay Khanna sitting on that bench there, looking at him, trying to analyze his answers or what have you. Ugh. Just these
Crazy. Yeah,
moments,
yeah,
dude.
I
Amazing.
agree.
I can't wait to watch Dhurandhar again. Really can't.
मैं भी स्क्रॉल कर रहा था तो उसमें एक रील था आई गेस पाकिस्तानी क्रिएटर का होगा उसमें उसे लिखा है कि कह रहा है कि धुरंधर में कईयों को हाफ स्लीव्स वो कुर्ते और वो पहनते हुए दिखा है. मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि आपके रिसर्च में आपको थोड़ा ध्यान देना चाहिए था. हमारे यहाँ पे ये हाफ स्लीव नहीं पहनते, पूरे पहनते हैं. एंड all I'm thinking while that reel
That's
is,
the
I'm
only
like,
criticism you have.
मैंने कहा भाई देख दोस्त हमने बोला है कि तूने हम पे अटैक्स किए
Yes,
ठीक है. यू हैव जीरो प्रॉब्लम्स विद दैट बिकॉज़
हाँ,
वो
वो तो
हमने किया
वो तो करते ही हम.
वो तो दैट इज तो मतलब
पर
it's fine.
आस्तीन- आस्तीन
ले-
छुपा
आप
दिया.
बात- कैसी बात कर रहे हो. अटैक्स तो भाईजान हम करते हैं
पर ये कपड़े पहन के नहीं करते
बट ये
हैं.
कपड़े मतलब
ये
ऐसा
नहीं,
नहीं
yeah.
करते.
Everybody
Like, मैंने कहा भाई हाउ कुड यू जस्ट
Yeah.
लाइक कि हाँ बाकी सब ठीक था जो आपने ट्राई
And wait, are you trying to say that people in Pakistan don't wear half sleeves?
मेरे को क्या
That
मालूम भाई,
can't
मैं
be
तो वो
right.
रील देख के मैं
Yeah,
देखा.
that also
मेरे
can't be
को क्या
correct.
मालूम.
That also can't be right, dude. That's
But
impossible.
it was the funniest where Pakistani people also don't have a problem with ये like हाँ भाई जान अटैक्स तो हमने किए हैं, देखो वो ठीक है. बट ये
आस्तीन गलत बता दिया आपने.
ये आपने गलत बताया लेकिन
Nice. So Akshay Khanna and Sania Malhotra.
Akshay Khanna, Sana Malhotra for me. What was it for you again?
Kalyani Priyadarshan and Ishan Khatter.
And for you, Jetwa, Vishal Jetwa, and
विशाल जेठवा,
And
विकी
Mrs.
कौशल
And
and सानिया मल्होत्रा.
yeah, all right,
Bro, Vicky Kaushal I think is winning best actor for like in all awards this year.
dude. That or Dhurandhar because it that good, right? Because
Dhurandhar-
both of them are strong, you know. Why,
But
right?
नहीं I see धुरंधर में रणवीर सिंह is as you rightly said कि वो थोड़ा डाउनप्ले कर रहा है in front of अक्षय, right? तो अक्षय अगर ये लोग वापस से कैटेगरी नेगेटिव वाला कैटेगरी अगर ये वापस से इंट्रोड्यूस कर दें तो आई थिंक अक्षय कैन गो देयर बट आई थिंक विकी nobody is beating
Fair,
Vicky.
fair. I get
Nobody
it.
is beating Vicky.
Also, like it tugs on a lot more heartstrings, also, right? In the character, Dhurandhar, like Ranveer's character is a fictionalized version of a character.
Yeah.
And this one, see,
But aside, he's also performed it very well.
100%.
He's
was amazing.
done a
He was
very
good
very
job.
good job.
The movie
acting
had
wise,
left a lot to be desired, but the acting performance,
especially
was
the album.
yeah,
A.R.
for sure.
Rahman music, yes,
Yeah,
should have been
correct.
much better, but okay.
Correct, yeah,
ठीक है.
absolutely.
But best actor has to, like, अच्छा, for me, will go to Vicky. Recently, I realized कि मैं फिल्मफेयर नहीं हूँ. ठीक है. Cool. Best ठुमका award, guys.
You know, I
have a very good answer for this.
You have a very good answer.
Yes,
okay,
very
let's
good
hear.
answer.
Let's
पहले
hear.
आप बोलो, पहले आप बोलो.
यार
I don't remember that many good choreography songs according to me. One that I liked and I like the video of the song is from De De Pyar De 2 Teen Shock.
Same, I also had the same answer.
Yeah.
Purely because Javed Jafri and
And
Mizan
Mizan
Jafri are
Jafri
dancing
dancing
together.
Very good.
That's part
So,
of it.
मैं भी वही लिखने वाला था, but
Seriously?
fortunately I'm not vanilla like you guys.
Fortunately, you have good memory. You're not as forgetful.
I was very tempted to do, saying this Pehla Tu Duja
Bro, you
Tu.
never said it. I was like, bhai.
Are you going to
गाना
Lal Pari?
जैसा
Are you going
भी
to Lal Pari?
No. I'm gonna go. दिल के ताजमहल में,
Oh,
दिल के
man.
ताजमहल में, तेरे मुमताज महल में, दिल के
Is it Prabhu Deva choreography? Is it? Could well be.
Bro, who knows? But
Hook step karo.
the entire country was doing this
Yeah,
when
Taj Mahal
ताजमहल
में.
came out. हम लोग हिमेश में कॉन्सर्ट देखने गए थे.
Bro, क्या मजा
Bro,
था यार. The best.
पूरा audience
The best.
was literally doing this. Crazy. Has to be this, and a very close second is Pehla.
What concerts have you attended after Himesh's?
Himesh was actually the last concert of the last
No,
calendar
but
year.
you've attended more concerts after that. I don't think I have.
No,
You
even I
have.
haven't. Even I haven't attended. क्योंकि अभी
yeah.
concert season start ही नहीं हुआ है ना वापस से.
अच्छा.
अभी होगा. अभी दिसंबर में अभी AP आ रहा है अगले
अभी कुछ
साल.
American rappers आके गए ना. Scott.
Oh, that was
That was
Rolling
Rolling
Loud.
Loud.
That was
Yeah,
Rolling
yeah.
Loud. हाँ, I didn't attend. it.
Travis Scott had also come.
हाँ, Travis भी attended. Oh, I attended. Oh हाँ नहीं, वो तो अभी जाना है मुझे. जाऊंगा अभी.
Which one?
जाऊंगा. AP.
Achha,
Oh.
AP Algo.
थोड़ी सी दारू.
AP Dillon.
AP Dillon, yes.
We've seen him before also.
Yes,
right?
yes. वो यार AP के गाने.
Oh, we saw him at Lollapalooza.
I saw it at Lollapalooza. I saw him at अभी इसने last year जब concert किया था तब भी मैंने किया था.
Okay.
AP bro, I love AP songs. बहुत और मैंने हनी सिंह का concert attend किया था जो कि हनी सिंह का concert was the only concert that was better than the Himesh Reshammiya experience.
What are you saying?
I have very good reasons for that because I attended. So हनी सिंह का concert मैंने मुंबई में attend किया था क्योंकि free passes मिल गए थे. तो I was like why not? तो मैं चला गया. वो ओके था. हिमेश रेशमिया उससे 1000 times better था. बट फिर मैं गया दिल्ली में हनी सिंह का कॉन्सर्ट. ब्रो नथिंग मैचेस दैट. व्हेन हनी सिंह सेज दैट दिल्ली इज हिज हुड, इट इज फॉर सम रीजन. एंड डूड वो लिटरली कहता था एक वर्ड अपने गाने का वो करता था और बंद करता था म्यूजिक एंड यूज्ड टू डू दिस. भाई पूरा ऑडियंस गा रहा है वो गाना.
कुड़ियां दे तेरे ब्राउन रंग तेरे.
बस यही नहीं हो रहा था दिल्ली में. हम लोग सही लिरिक्स गा रहे थे.
क्या है? What is it?
कुड़िए नहीं तेरे ब्राउन रंग ने मुंडे पट्टे देनी सारे.
वही तो कह रहे हो ना.
हाँ, okay.
वही.
Close enough, यार.
Close enough.
ठीक है यार, ठीक
But
है.
yeah, I think the Honey Singh concert, I think, is the best concert experience that I've had. इतनी भीड़, मतलब पूरा IG भरा हुआ है, लोग कूद रहे हैं नीचे, and it's just a party. Like a huge party. Everybody knows all the songs by heart, and I think that's a banger concert for me. बाकी गाने औरों के much better होंगे, but this
Concert performance wise.
देसी. वैसे अगर मैं विलेती बताऊं तो कोल्ड प्ले.
Okay, fair enough. ठीक. Anyway, best ठुमका बोले तुम लोग ने?
ब्रो दिल के ताजमहल
दिल के ताजमहल में
दिल
तीन
के
शौक.
ताजमहल में.
ठीक है. Next is ये भी पिक्चर में था award, which is the best cameo award.
Cameo, yeah.
That's
Not a
the
lot of
next
good cameos though this year in
Courtney.
Bollywood.
Yeah.
Yeah, except one project had a lot of them.
Yeah, the bads.
The bads. Do you have any other answers?
I have, and I thought it was a very clear-cut answer. I have gone for Varun Dhawan in Thama as Bhedia.
Oh,
Yeah, that
completely
clearly
forgot.
was the best cameo
I completely
that
forgot.
I've seen the entire year.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one part of the film where I
That was
got excited
decent,
about.
Oh yeah, that was right
So
there.
yeah,
Fair,
I think
fair.
Bhedia
Yeah,
in Thama.
यार ये तो किया ही नहीं यार मैंने तो.
Oh,
I went
bro,
to-
that's, yeah, you're right. भाई
good one.
बेचो, we spent so much time on this.
Wait, look like क्या? Do they think it's not a cameo? Why are they
Shit,
not?
dude, fuck.
So yeah.
Again,
for
Thama
me-
was also
forgettable
forgettable.
film, yeah, but that's the one part that stands out because it's done well.
fair.
So yeah,
The
for
thing
me
is,
it was Varun
yeah,
Dhawan.
dude, I don't want to consider Thama in most of these categories unless it was a bad category. You get what I mean?
Actually, this award show should be called the bads of Bollywood.
The bad. That's great.
Nice, good one.
That's great.
So yeah, what are your choices for cameos?
यार मेरा तो रणवीर सिंह बैड्स
very cliche. Sorry,
Okay.
sorry for this, guys. I literally could not think of
Why Ranveer above all the others though?
I really enjoyed that cameo.
Okay.
I like the Amir one also, was really fun.
Yeah.
Oh, Amir wala to I
And-
think I think it was the
Yeah.
worst one for me.
Really?
I didn't like the
I
Amir.
loved it. I loved the
I
Amir
didn't
one.
like the Amir one.
I like Ranveer and Amir, and then Imran Hashmi of course.
Imran Hashmi
but
wala
I felt
to
like everyone
peak.
would say Imran Hashmi already.
Yeah.
And already that moment has gotten so much
Hype.
love
Ghafoor!
and hype. So yeah, like Ghafoor only.
उसके बाद इमरान और राघव को ऐड मिल गया भाई
हाँ,
साहब
correct,
ने,
correct,
देखा
correct,
आपने?
Spotify rap.
Spotify rap, yes.
Yeah, so I would say Ranveer from.
मैंने तो यार वो मोहम्मद ईशान अयूब लिखा था, उसके बारे में तो मैं
okay.
बड़ी रिसेंटली ही बात
हाँ,
किया है,
yeah.
तो इसलिए क्योंकि
पर वो
और कोई
picture-
कैमियो है ही नहीं ना.
पिक्चर बेकार
मैं
थी
पिक-
यार।
भाई पिक्चर
मेरे को सुनने में तो बड़ा मजा आया.
बात-
भाई
चलो।
बहुत ही घटिया. भाई मैंने अपने दोस्त को
Tell-
पिक्चर सुनानी स्टार्ट करी, वो आई थिंक पहले 15 मिनट के प्लॉट पे वाज लाइक ब्रो दिस इज डैम कॉन्वोल्यूटेड ब्रो.
Yeah, for
मैंने
sure.
कहा भाई तूने जो भी शब्द बोला है ना मेरे को वो समझने में ज्यादा इजी होगा.
By the way, I have an exercise for the comment section.
Yeah.
If you have a movie in mind that you would like Snehal and me to watch, and then explain to Abbas, please let us know in the comments. We'll actually make it happen. It'll be
ठीक है,
damn fun.
done,
It'll be
done.
damn fun.
Done, we'll do that.
Okay. तो ये हो गया. ये भी
I
पिक्चर
clearly win this round, guys.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you
You,
very much.
this
fair
this
enough.
one round you win.
Courtney
This-
goes
this
to
is the one
Varun
I want.
This
Dhawan.
is the only one that you win. No doubt about it.
ठीक है. Next
Yeah.
one is ये तो French cinema award, which is the
The
most underrated
film.
movie award. Yes.
The underrated film of the year.
I mean, it has to be Bharat Ravi Kumar for me.
What?
Whoa, bro, how is that underrated?
भाई, I think
Okay, you're not counting it as underrated?
not at all.
Oh,
Dude.
then I should have mentioned it in my favorite movie of the year award.
It's the surprise film of the year.
Yeah.
Surprise film of the year.
Yes,
So
it's the
वही हो ना, फिर
No.
people weren't expecting it. Underdog, underrated, maybe.
चलो
If
ठीक
not,
है.
if
That
not,
was the surprise, right? We all thought it's going to be like whatever, kya
Yeah.
kar raha hai,
Yeah.
Himesh. But then it turned out to be, I mean, from whatever I've heard
a
and
good
you
spoof
guys,
movie. Yeah,
it's turned out to be a fun time at the movies.
Oh, very very fun time.
So if not that, if that is not an acceptable answer,
Yeah.
I would say Dhoom Dham. Did you watch Dhoom Dham?
Oh,
Pratik
yes.
Gandhi.
Pratik Gandhi and Yami Gautam.
Yes, yes, yes.
I think
watched it.
produced by the Dhars, like Aditya Dhar and all.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
And his brother, if I'm not wrong.
Hmm.
Again, very fun.
That is very weird.
Very
because
unexpected.
More dhoom-dham happens in Dhurandhar.
Dhoom Dham is about a shadi about to
Yes,
that has
yes,
just
yeah,
taken place,
yeah.
and right out of the wedding, these guys get involved in some kind of a like gangster mafia
हाँ.
thing.
But it's a
And
very comedy sort of a
very
situation.
Lovely,
no? Yeah.
lovely movie, very underrated. The gags were funny. Pratik and Yami's chemistry and acting
I
up
think
together
Pratik
were
should
great.
do more comedies. He's good at
Dude, he was
that
great.
kind of
You're right.
stuff. Yeah.
In the Goa one,
I
Madgaon
was gonna say
Express.
Goa.
Madgaon Express.
Madgaon
He was
Express.
great in that. So yeah, Dhoom Dham, absolutely a great underrated movie.
I'm looking forward to this Kunal Khemu show that's going to come on Netflix.
My Father, kya? Single father.
something, हाँ.
Single papa.
Single papa.
Seems like it's going to be fun.
Yeah.
Yeah,
How is
Manoj
that?
Pawas in it. Yep. Seems like fun. What do you say?
My underrated film is actually my favorite Indian film of the year. It's a Tamil film called Bad Girl. It barely played in any theaters in Bombay, but it's produced by Anurag Kashyap and Vetri Maran. Vetri Maran also one of the most established Tamil film directors.
Yeah.
So the director of this film, Varsha, used to be Vetri Maran's AD. And she went to him with this story, and he agreed to produce the film. So I think in Toronto or Venice, in दोनों में से कोई एक film festival में this film got a lot of accolades. It's a very sweet coming of age film of a girl from her school days till her 30s.
Okay.
And it's played by the same actress.
Whoa.
But
How?
bro,
Yeah,
the way they have showed like the nuances of an Indian girl growing up, it's very well done. Like the film is visually very striking. जब वो स्कूल वाले उसके जो दिन है उसको जिस तरह शूट किया गया है, it's very punchy, very comedy.
How did they do the makeup right?
They've just given her
De-aging?
like
Okay.
not exactly de-aging but makeup. So when she's playing a schoolgirl, they've given her more pimples. Her body is very slim and she's in a school uniform. Interestingly, so the boyfriend she has in school then turns up later on in the film as a 30-year-old, and that's when you realize, oh fuck, this guy was the schoolboy. They've done it so well that it's really well done.
That's exactly what happens in Tere Ishq mein also.
Yeah, he shows up later, dude. He does show up later.
Don't you dare! But because
I
I
didn't
mean,
know this was
even the like French cinema, I think if you've seen the films of this guy called Michel Gondry, जिसने Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind बनाई थी, it's very like the film is very you know जब वो जब वो स्कूल वाला पार्ट दिखा रहे हैं तो इट्स वेरी कॉमेडी एंड वेरी फ्रेंच सिनेमा टाइप. जब वो कॉलेज के दिन बताती है, at that time it's like a melodramatic Tamil romantic film, right? And then when it's in the 30s it's like more the indie films that we see now. So Hotstar पे ये है film. It's a very good film. I was just very in love with this film. ऐसे कोई बहुत बड़ा plot नहीं है, कोई earth shattering चीज नहीं हो रही. It's just a coming of age film of a girl. Very beautiful done. So please check it out.
Bro, that's
That
actually
girl.
like चलो फ्रेंच सिनेमा तो वो बन गया उससे क्या कहते हैं 30 मार के मीम से बन गया. बट अगर आप फ्रेंच सिनेमा देखो तो इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल लीनियर स्टोरी टेलिंग. कुछ ऐसा वो ये सब नहीं करते. बहुत ही सिंपल एक कहानी चलती है पॉइंट ए से पॉइंट बी पे आके खत्म हो जाती है.
लीनियर तो नहीं होता है.
लीनियर नहीं मतलब एज इन लीनियर वुड बी द रॉन्ग वर्ड, बट बहुत ही सिंपल स्टोरी टेलिंग होती है. बट बहुत सिंपल प्लॉट, सिंपल स्टोरी टेलिंग, बहुत अच्छे से उसको फील गुड तरीके से निकाल देते हैं.
Yeah, so Bad Girl is my ये तो फ्रेंच सिनेमा है. Please watch it. It's on Hotstar right
nice,
now.
good. My ये तो फ्रेंच सिनेमा है फिल्म इज जुगनुमा. मनोज वाजपेयी. भाई व्हाट अ फिल्म डूड.
I thought तू उसको देगा कानू बैल वाली फिल्म जो तूने देखी थी.
आगरा यार आगरा के बारे में हमने अभी काफी लंबी बात करी थी तो मैंने फिर इसलिए उसका नाम डाला नहीं. बट आगरा इज डेफिनेटली वन ऑफ दोस फिल्म्स. प्लीज वॉच इट. बहुत सारी डिस्क्लेमर्स हैं उससे पहले तो पढ़ लेना फिर उसके बाद देखना. बट जुगनुमा डूड व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल फिल्म. फोरशैडोइंग है फिल्म में. हाफ ऑफ द फिल्म इज साइलेंट, जस्ट एम्बियंस, आवाजें हैं. बहुत दीपक डोबरियाल है फिल्म में. मनोज वाजपेयी है फिल्म में. बहुत
आवाजें हैं दीपक डोबरियाल है फिल्म में.
ब्रो जेन्युइनली आई थिंक दीपक डोबरियाल से ज्यादा डायलॉग तो आवाज हो गए हैं. ठीक है. इट्स जस्ट प्लेज ब्यूटिफुली इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. लाइक इट स्टेज विद यू. Towards the end you'll like connect back to this one scene. It's a very beautiful experience. बहुत ही aesthetically beautiful film है. उसके अंदर बहुत सारे जुगनू हैं
और माएँ.
हाँ 2 माएँ भी हैं. But very beautiful film. Definitely give it a watch. आपने देखी है?
नहीं यार, I've missed it both at Mami also और यहाँ जब रिलीज हुई
बहुत
तब भी.
खूबसूरत फिल्म.
I'm hoping it shows up.
बहुत खूबसूरत फिल्म है. बिल्कुल.
I've only heard good things about it.
या बिल्कुल देखनी चाहिए. बीच में कुछ एलिमेंट्स जो आपको लगेगा कि क्यों है भाई इस फिल्म में, एंड एंड तक यू विल नॉट नो कि वो क्यों है, कैसे फंक्शन कर रहे हैं. बट देन द फिल्म विल स्टिल मेक सेंस टू यू एंड इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल एक्सपीरियंस. फर्स्ट हाफ डेफिनेटली वे बेटर देन सेकंड हाफ. बट देन स्टिल कुछ ऐसा नेगेटिव नहीं लगता मुझे उस फिल्म के बारे में. बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है. डेफिनेटली गो एंड वॉच इट.
Okay.
गो तो नहीं मतलब whenever you find it.
Yeah, wherever you can watch it.
Guys, the next category is कुछ भी award.
ड्रग्स दो मुझे, ड्रग्स दो,
Yes.
ड्रग्स दो.
You get it. You get the category. It's the movie that made you go यार कुछ भी यार. कुछ भी होता है, ऐसा होता है क्या?
Oh bro,
I think
do
a lot
I
of
have films in this
Man,
category?
correct. I have 2 that I think will be in all 3 of our lists, or
Badao.
definitely consider them. Sikandar and War 2.
Oh bro,
Have to
no,
be there.
I have worse options, bro.
Really, my Sikandar is my top kuch bhi film of the year. It is so bad.
So,
no, bro.
I'll-
So random.
Then you've not seen
Yeah,
these films.
yeah.
What are you talking about? Which one? Which one?
War 2 was not कुछ भी. It was bad.
हाँ कुछ भी तो कहीं
But
भाई
Sikandar was kuch bhi, dude. Sikandar
I have
mein
not seen, so
very
yeah.
random. That whole plot of the organs going to the fucking random kids, and then kids getting involved somehow, and like not only random kids, go to like separate people, and this guy getting involved in their lives somehow. Ugh. So bizarre and unneeded.
I agree.
It was horrible.
But
Sikandar for sure.
bro, there are worse films.
So
Like
I'll be honest, I haven't seen तेरे इश्क में, but जिस तरह तुम लोग ने describe किया था last week, I was
Bro,
very
110%.
tempted in putting it on the list, but I have not. But
Bro, मैं भाई हाउसफुल 5, बागी 4, मस्ती 4. मस्ती 4 नहीं देखी बट उसके बावजूद कुछ भी क्यों बन रही है भाई तेरे इश्क में. उसके बाद फकिंग नादानिया, सरजमीन. भाई you name it and we have it भाई.
But
You
see,
name
also,
it and we have it.
see, I'll tell you what, right?
Bro, Sarzameen is such a bad film, dude. it's one of those films जिसका twist भी आपको excite नहीं करता है.
It's also the third part of Tare Zameen Par. It's Sar Zameen Par.
Sar Zameen Par. But anyway, even if I don't want to list like all these films, dude, Bhagi 4 and Houseful 5 definitely make the cut, and they are way worse than Sikandar.
So the thing is, right? I feel like Sikandar, because Salman Khan is attached, has more expectations also.
Yeah, sure.
So when
Fair.
it does not वहाँ पे खरा नहीं उतरता, तो it seems like a much worse bomb or much worse, like a bigger
भाई
bad movie, you know,
भाई
a bigger
nothing can
random
look
movie.
bad in front of Bhagi 4 भाई.
But bro, like at least Baghi had like one
Have
of
you
the
seen
good action
Baghi 4?
sequences. I've seen the action sequences. They seem
भाई,
alright.
I don't think so, bro.
भाई Bhagi
I think he's
Is he
seen
alright?
way more worse
भाई
films.
for
मैं
sure,
मैं
maybe.
हर गंदा फिल्म देखा हूँ लाइफ में.
यार but वैसे देख, मैंने हाउसफुल 5 भी देखी है.
हाउसफुल नहीं देखी आपने?
देखी मैंने, देखी है.
आपको हाउसफुल 5 बेटर लगी सिकंदर से?
Dude, at least it's चलो find something is happening. Sikandar में was so boring and like it was crazy, dude.
भाई
It was weird.
I'd rather watch Salman Khan on screen for 2.5 hours than watching random sexist jokes stitched together.
Fair.
भाई उसके
I'm not saying-
भाई हाउसफुल 5 का literally भाई this is no, आपने देखी है हाउसफुल 5?
नहीं.
भाई there's literally a sequence जहाँ पे पूरे इतने बड़े स्क्रीन पे 3 लड़कियां ऐसा लेट के क्रॉल करके जा रही हैं and you see their entire body like this for good fucking 30-40 seconds.
Hey man, see, okay.
That's like, and this is
These
just
scenes
one-
are there for a reason, okay? They're popular for a reason.
It's the worst. It's
Dude, it is
absolutely
not.
the
It is,
worst,
dude.
bro.
At least that captivates your attention,
Wow, Anthony.
dude. Salman with his hands in his pocket, with his eyes droopy, it makes you sleepy.
Bro,
Why
but-
would you watch that?
Bro, नाचे नाचे सिकंदर नाचे नाचे.
वो नाच तो नहीं रहा वैसे भाई.
उस गाने में तो
वो
कोशिश कर
injured
रहा
था.
है
वो injured था वैसे. Unfair. He had his ribs broken. or something.
But anyway, bro, Houseful 5 has to be the worst. Have you seen the fucking jokes where they're like कि वो गिरता है तो उसके हाथ से पेपर गिरते हैं तो वो झुकती है and then the person is like कि अरे मेरा चश्मा कहाँ है जब चश्मे की जरूरत है तो दिखता क्यों नहीं है. Bro, it's just these jokes stitched together into a film and it's bad.
Very
It's just bad.
It is bad. Sikandar is worse.
नहीं,
That's the
नहीं.
only.
I fully stand by Houseful 5 being the worst.
You let us
film.
know, Sikandar
Also
versus
Baghi 4,
Houseful
bro.
5.
Baghi 4.
Versus Baghi
That
5.
scene where he tries to fucking recreate the Wolverine वाला वो electricity लगना that is that has to भाई nightmares है वो scene. रात को सोते सोते नींद खुल जाती है. Fuck टाइगर नहीं किया था. बहुत खराब scene है भाई वो. बहुत ज्यादा खराब scene है. And Sanjay Dutt, bro, like
Are you tempted to ever like switch on a button and like
माँ मैं टाइगर बन गया. Oh bro, no, nothing comes close to these two films, dude. I think the worst.
Okay, guys, we are down to our last
Three categories.
Last two, three
Last
categories.
2-3 categories.
This one is acting seek kya?
Oh.
Yeah, acting seek.
Oh,
Acting seek.
sub.
क्या? Sub TV?
Sub. पूरा
Bollywood.
industry
पूरा Bollywood.
at this
Industry at
point
its
भाई
equal.
acting सीख कर रहा
Yeah,
हूँ.
only people who are in bad the Bollywood are exempt. Dhurandhar are exempt.
नहीं तो
Chhawa
भाई
are exempt.
genuinely.
So, say I haven't seen either of those films, but my answer is Salman for Sikandar and the
Yeah.
cast of Masti 4.
Okay.
Then my
bro,
answer
seriously.
for this will have to be Khushi and Ibrahim,
For
bro,
Nadania.
for Nadania. Bhai, I cannot get the fucking bullshit script writing that they had in Nadania, bro.
But it's about acting, bro, not script writing.
नहीं मतलब वो फिल्म इतनी खराब थी फिर ऊपर से एक्टिंग इतनी मतलब यार जिस दिन मैं डिबेट कंपटीशन का टीम का हेड बन जाऊंगा एब्स दिखा के उस दिन तो भाई मतलब कमाल हो जाएगा लाइफ में. क्रेजी बैड फिल्म है भाई वो. और सबने ही बहुत खराब एक्टिंग की है. तुम उसमें पता नहीं लाइक bro there's this scene ठीक है where so the first half plot of the film is कि खुशी कपूर का जो कैरेक्टर है वो सॉफ्ट लॉन्च कर रही है इब्राहिम अली खान को एज हर बॉयफ्रेंड जो कि असली में नहीं है. शी इज पेइंग हिम टू
correct,
एक्ट एज हर सॉफ्ट लॉन्च्ड
Yeah,
बॉयफ्रेंड. तो वो थोड़ा ऐसा शर्माया हुआ सा है एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. तो उसको एक फोटो खींचनी है, मिरर सेल्फी, जिसके अंदर उसका हाथ ऐसे है बट उसका चेहरा नहीं दिख रहा, तो वो हाथ ना थोड़ा ऐसा कॉन्शियसली रखता है ब्रो. वो फोटो खींचने लगती है एंड वो देखती है उसका हाथ कॉन्शियसली है एंड शी वाज लाइक तुम्हारा नाम शर्मा है क्या? तो फिर इतना शर्मा tell me if Sikandar was worse than this. It was not.
Thing is, I don't remember any dialogue of it. It was definitely worse.
तुम्हारा नाम शर्मा है क्या?
मतलब if the line was not bad, how to make it worse?
Yeah. शर्मा है क्या? ओ तो तुम रोहित शर्मा के रिलेटिव हो?
Bro, this is on par with रूपा के अंडरवेयर. बनियान पहनोगे तो रूपा क्या पहनेगी? At least that line is funny.
तो तुम करते क्या हो? स्वीटी से प्यार, स्वीटी से प्यार.
Antariksh, would you have acting sick?
Man, you won't believe this.
Yeah.
After watching Sikandar, I have Salman Khan. But the thing is, Salman.
So for Salman,
in fairness to Salman,
it wouldn't be acting seek, it would be please acting कर.
acting
वापस से कर.
या वापस से करना
वापस से
शुरू
कर,
कर दो.
हाँ.
So exactly, because Salman has given some, I believe, like truly amazing performances in the past. He doesn't exactly apply, but his co-star in the movie absolutely does. Not only did she have a terrible performance in Sikandar, she also ruined Thama.
That's true, yeah. I thought of her for putting in this for Thama.
sure, Rashmika Mandanna, and everything before that I've seen of hers, at least in Bollywood, in Hindi movies, has been terrible.
Have you seen The Girlfriend? People are saying
Yes,
it's a very
I
good
know
film.
you're talking about.
It's on
I know
Netflix.
what
I've,
Yeah.
I've put it on my watch list. I want to watch
has
it.
seen it, and she's told me about it. But I've heard she is
Bro, मेरे को
better in
कभी
that.
ये भी
Yeah.
लगता है ना कि for the South Indian actors maybe it's a language thing then maybe
Then
they're
stop
just-
doing it. Then stop. There are other people who are dying for one performance, one role. Okay. Okay. तो एक्टिंग सीख के आ, ठीक है? तो रश्मिका मंदाना प्लीज एक्टिंग सीख के आइए, नहीं तो मत आइए.
Fair.
अब्बास तेरा हो
ठीक
गया?
है.
मेरा वही था Salman and the cast of Masti.
हाँ, okay.
Okay, so best controversy of. So this is the last award, guys.
No, there's this thing na worst performance. नहीं performance नहीं worst appearance.
यही तो
Worst
है.
public appearance
Worst
and
public
controversial
appearance
difference.
and best controversy.
Oh, ये दो हैं.
हाँ,
Yeah,
दो
yeah.
है.
Oh, अच्छा ये दोनों अलग अलग होते हैं.
तो देख. Worst public appearance,
Oh, bro.
recency bias has to be Ranveer.
See, unanimously it has to be Ranveer.
Yeah.
But because recency bias है तो
हाँ.
मैंने फिर एक और सोचा.
Oh, तूने सोचा? Okay, I have a very good answer here.
Okay, हाँ ठीक है.
Yeah,
आप
even
बताओ.
I have a very good.
Oh, you do? Okay. Oh, interesting. Okay.
Nice.
So I think, okay, this is crazy. It's not exactly a public experience, but it was much discussed in public.
Same. मेरे भी दो options हैं. एक ही है. ठीक है,
Oh, अच्छा?
continue. Which one are you talking about?
Oh, I'm talking about jointly Twinkle Khanna and Kajol.
Oh no.
Oh,
Their
okay.
entire show
हाँ,
was the
fair.
worst public appearance,
I
public
agree,
fucking
I agree.
nightmare
ठीक है.
imaginable.
ठीक है. Yeah.
And dude, I have not seen a talk show that bad. It is difficult to have with two famous personalities.
yeah.
It is difficult to have a bad talk show that is boring. That
और-
conversation don't lead anywhere.
ऊ-
It's
ऊपर से-
frustrating.
Bro, ऊपर से Twinkle Khanna तो is supposed to be witty and like.
Yeah,
dude.
this is
yeah,
funny bone.
It wasn't landing at all. None of it landed. In fact, Janhvi Kapoor looked human compared to them.
तो फिर उनके शो को इंडिगो क्यों नहीं बोलते?
Hey, didn't land. It never lands. Because वो take off भी नहीं करता.
इंडिगो भी नहीं कर रहा.
Indigo take off भी नहीं करता. Correct. दोनों. Dude, I'll be very surprised if they get a season 2, but
Oh, it will
because
not.
they
Bro,
are,
they'll also be like कि नहीं करने का है.
yeah, they should.
तूने सुना नहीं? He said Janhvi Kapoor looked good in front.
Looked
of
human, dude. Yeah.
Wow,
Yeah,
dude. Wow, you got to be like another level of bad.
Yeah,
for
Antariksh
Antariksh to
say.
praise
Janhvi Kapoor.
Yeah.
Well, it is what it is, man.
And who's your? Should we do
Kajol.
both of these together? Because मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि आंसर मेरा और स्नेल का एक आंसर तो ओवरलैप करेगा.
नहीं
Worst public appearance और best controversy में.
Okay, best
Okay, so then let's
controversy.
hold on best controversy.
Okay,
We'll do
yeah,
another
hold on
round.
best controversy.
ठीक है. So my worst public appearance is Paresh Rawal on Lallan Top saying कि आप यूरिन पियो.
सुबह उठ के फर्स्ट यूरिन पीना अपना.
Oh, bro.
रोज सुबह आप उठ के अपना
What a
यूरिन.
reference, dude.
great, dude. I forgot about that.
Bro, how can you say that with a straight face?
Yeah.
सौरभ शर्मा भी उस टाइप के बोला, अब मैं क्या बोलूं उसका?
So I was like, I've gotten gold. Let me not. Golden shower, I mean.
और वो बोल ही जा रहा है, रुक नहीं रहा है.
Yeah.
आप ऐसा लो वैसा लो एक ग्लास में. I sip it like a beer. मैं एक घुट भी नहीं पीता.
पार्टी में
I sip
Paresh
it
ji, what
like
are
a
you
beer.
drinking? Paresh ji, what are you drinking? Yeah, your beer? No. Guess again.
So yeah, bro, Paresh Rawal.
Bro, but very honestly, like Paresh Rawal के the Taj story
हाँ.
के वाले interviews
खतरनाक.
वो नहीं होने चाहिए, वो नहीं होने चाहिए, वो नहीं होने चाहिए. Like I am actually one of those people जिसने देखी है the Taj story, and bro,
And yet it was not in your कुछ भी category. मतलब वो इतनी बाकी
Wait, it's
picture
about.
इतनी बुरी
Is
थी.
it about like the Taj Mahal के वहाँ पे मंदिर होना चाहिए था?
हाँ.
Oh,
तेजो
that's the
महल है.
movie. Okay, got it. I know the story. Yeah.
But yeah, so sipping it like a beer is my worst public appearance.
yeah, that's okay, yeah, fuck.
Imagine
ठीक है,
बाबूराव
and-
आपटे.
and
dude.
पता and
बाबूराव आपटे ऊपर टंकी में यूरिन डालता है. उसको दारू नहीं चाहिए टंकी में.
Paresh Rawal actually retweeted on Anupama
Yeah.
Chopra's ki are you not
How does it feel to be Miss Irrelevant? or
miss
something
कुछ
like
ऐसा
that?
हाँ.
What the fuck, dude?
How are you
Yeah.
not tired of being irrelevant? कुछ ऐसे करके.
How is
Are you
like,
not
is there like
tired?
bad blood between them? What is happening?
I don't know, bro. I don't know.
Bro, there is this right-wing film reviewer who I've introduced you guys to.
Yeah.
Bro, even he was like after watching the film, he's like, कई जगहों पे तो लग रहा है जैसे स्कूल प्ले चल रहा हो. I'm like, bro, even your target audience is not satisfied with the movie.
नहीं
क्या ही
हाँ,
बोल
it
रहे
was चलो anyway. After the previous
Yeah.
episode, I don't want to get into it.
Previous episode.
Previous episode.
Let bygones be bygones.
Yes, bygones. Bye
So,
bygones.
Yeah, who's your worst public appearance, Snail?
It will feel like कि साला मुझे नेपो किड से प्रॉब्लम है. But bro, the LOVE यहाँ पर.
Oh, that whole tour. That whole dance tour. dude.
Junaid.
Junaid.
Bro, it was just so awkward,
Yeah,
dude.
yeah, it was.
Like I'll tell you, it was just painful to see that because
sure.
we know that Junaid can act. We've seen
Yeah, I
that
mean,
in
the
that
thing
film.
was- in Maharaj,
the
yeah,
Maharaj,
yeah.
yes. ठीक है, we've seen that in the film. And वो बेचारा एक तो माइक पकड़ LOVE कर रहा है.
मेरी उम्र का है वो.
ठीक है. ऊपर से भाई बेचारा पकड़ के कुछ ऐसा माइक पकड़ के कर रहा है. वो साला भाई वो जो वहाँ का है वो होगा द इंचार्ज, वो आके उसके स्टेप के बीच में माइक and then in the middle of it he has to just get accustomed to okay now I don't have a mic and now he's doing with both hands now. पहले he was doing ऐसे now there's no mic. Bro ऊपर से अब खुशी तो मेन स्ट्रीम अब एक्टर है. उसको पूरा उसने लिया डांस क्लास, उसने सिर्फ थिएटर क्लास लिया.
It's Khushi and Khud Khushi together.
And Khan Kushi.
And
Khan
Khan
Kushi.
Kushi, all in the same frame. So bro, that has to be
The worst public appearance.
the most awkward. Most awkward.
The whole Lavyapa promotional round was
Yeah,
very awkward.
Yeah,
yeah,
it's true.
dude,
It was
I
a
agree.
disaster.
It was bad.
Yeah, good
Bad
choices,
of Bollywood.
Alright.
Okay, final corny of the
Corny
night,
of the night.
which is
No,
the
but
best controversy.
Sorry,
हो गया,
you
तीनों का हो
mentioned-
गया?
you mentioned-
Paresh Rawal.
Paresh Rawal, okay, ठीक है.
Yeah. Can I go
Alright.
for best controversy?
Yes,
Which
biggest
one
controversy.
was yours?
Mine was Twinkle and Kajol.
Kajol and Kajol,
ठीक है, ठीक है.
Paresh Rawal.
Too much.
And yeah,
Too much, right? With Twinkle and Kajol.
हाँ, too much with Twinkle and Kajol.
Sure.
my best controversy of the year, guys.
Best controversy corny goes
The
to
corny goes to मुझे पूरी पिक्चर में बुला था.
bro. I have Salman versus Abhinav Kashyap. Yes.
I knew both of you would have
But
this.
no, this is, I have
changed
multiple
it,
options.
yeah.
I have multiple
Okay,
options. But no,
ठीक
go
है,
ahead.
great.
You have more?
ठीक है, I have more, bro.
Yeah.
But yeah, can we just two
Yeah.
words about Abhinav Kashyap?
Yeah, please.
Out
please.
of nowhere, this guy nobody remembered him.
Yeah.
दबंग बनाने के अब उसके करियर में जो भी हुआ हो जैसे भी हुआ हो completely out of sight, out of mind, and from out of nowhere, this
Oh, yeah.
random YouTube channel brought him out
And now he's on every other
Yeah,
YouTube
now
channel.
it's a web series.
Yeah.
हर एपिसोड आया जा रहा है,
वो उसी चैनल पे नहीं कर रहा बार
नहीं,
channel पे
नहीं,
कर रहा है।
नहीं।
वो
So to start with, he did it on that channel only.
Yeah,
And then
correct.
obviously other
Yeah,
YouTube channel
correct,
came.
exactly,
You know how I know he did it only on that particular YouTube channel? Because end में वो interviewer उससे हमेशा पूछती थी, आपने इसी चैनल को क्यों चुना है? तो वो जवाब देता था, क्योंकि आपके बहुत well researched रिपोर्टाज होती है और ये सब
that's
कुछ.
basically Paresh saying कि it's a very well researched script.
But yeah, now everybody knows that this guy gets clicks. So
They keep calling him now.
They keep calling
Career sorted again.
वो बढ़िया वो चैनल बुला रहे हैं, वो बुला रहा है.
बुलाए तो जा रहे हैं
Bro,
दोनों.
on the medium, वो random YouTube चैनल पे allegations
Yeah.
कर रहा है. सलमान खान बिग बॉस से
बिग
उसको
बॉस
जवाब
में जवाब दे रहा है bro. That is
What a
crazy.
world.
वो भी
What a
रवि
world,
गुप्ता
dude.
के थ्रू.
Yeah. Ravi Gupta like, why am I here?
Why am I?
और रवि गुप्ता भी हरामी
Yeah.
वहां बदल लिया. मुझे तो सिकंदर अच्छी लगी थी.
हाँ, really. तेरे को अच्छी लगी? Really?
हाँ, तेरे को अच्छी पिक्चर अच्छी नहीं लगती.
Bro, you know, during that appearance, okay, Salman says something like, okay, so Ravi Gupta is like trying to play it cool, right? He's trying to like say, Salman, sir, aap great ho, aap ye ho. Salman is like saying bad things over this fucking Abhinav Kashyap,
Yeah.
like implying Abhinav Kashyap. He never says my name. Don't mention my name, but like this Abhinav Kashyap, this fucking guy. Okay, then अभी मेरी मूवी आई सिकंदर
सिकंदर,
flop गई.
हाँ.
That whole makes fun of the director.
हाँ,
Saying,
कि apparently
Yeah.
मेरी फिल्म मेरे लेट
Yeah.
आने से स्क्रिप्ट का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
हाँ.
मेरी 12 पसलियां टूटी हुई.
Exactly.
इसका कोई मतलब 12 नहीं like whatever.
हाँ आपकी नई मूवी आई कैसी गई हाँ वो भी फ्लॉप हो गई ना implying that is Murugados's next movie also flopped okay after that Ravi Gupta says देखिए सलमान सर आपसे ये तो एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं है कि आप you'll take the high road. I'm like he's not taking the high road. He just mentioned 5 things he hates about the other guy, dude. How you take the high road? That's insane. What is this narrative shifting in front of our eyes?
एक second, मतलब like you understand him also, right?
Yeah, of
like
course.
you cannot not be doing that.
Yeah, of course.
So that's also
So,
the
yeah.
case. It's okay, bro. Like it's okay. Like हमारी भी फट लेगी सामने.
हमारे सामने
Sure,
हम तो
of course.
तीनों में से कभी भी कोई सामने आ गया भाई मैंने प्यार किया मैं आपने जो
भाई
acting-
कसम से भाई कसम से I
But
think
मैंने प्यार किया तो is an easy thing to sell.
but
also,
that's
yeah.
what all of us will revert back to that.
We have
won't
to
be like
good movies. We can't ask
और
him.
तब
सिकंदर
अगर
का
तुम में
टट्टी
से
क्या
किसी ने
आपने?
ये क्लिप चला दिया
भाई ये जैसे भाई अब मैं आपको बड़ी सीधी सी बात है ना वैसे भुवन बाम पहले YouTube पे वीडियोस बनाता था. He used to do the भुवन बाम dubs. Are you aware of that? So जैसे ही लाइमलाइट में आने लगा उसने डिसाइड कर लिया कि मुझे ये चीजें नहीं करनी है. Fair, you have to do that.
yeah.
जिस दिन हम में से किसी को कुछ मिला
Of course.
बाय बाय पॉपकॉर्न.
भाई तब मैं बहुत नासमझ था मुझे अकल नहीं थी.
तो वो मृणाल ठाकुर का भी तो एक क्लिप वायरल हुआ था.
अच्छा
क्या बोल के?
सो मृणाल ठाकुर ने किसी एक रियलिटी शो में बोल दिया होगा कि ओ यू लाइक बिपाशा यू लाइक मस्कुलर बॉडी और व्हाट ऐसे ऐसे
Oh, I've
करके.
seen this.
तो अब वो वायरल हो गया. तो भाई मृणाल ठाकुर एक्चुअली हैड टू लाइक इशू एन अपॉलॉजी कि भाई मेरे बचपन के टाइम की चीजें हैं उस टाइम पे मुझे नहीं पता क्या बोलना है क्या नहीं बोलना. द प्रॉब्लम इज कि हम सारे 30 साल के हो गए. हम बचपन वाला एक्सक्यूज भी नहीं दे सकते.
Anyway, what's your best controversy of the year?
Bro, Sayyara and Ashiki 3. The best controversy ever, bro. Best controversy ever had.
Sayyara and Ashiki 3, what is the controversy?
Bro, so apparently, this film, Sayyara, was supposed to be Ashiki 3.
Ashiki 3.
Okay,
मोहित सूरी
okay.
ठीक है
Yeah,
वो
I remember-
आशिकी
I
3
remember
होनी
this, I
चाहिए
remember
थी.
this, yeah, correct.
एंड फॉर सम रीजंस वो बनी नहीं. तो ही वाज लाइक फक इट. ही वेंट टू यशराज. ही गेव दिस फिल्म. दे कास्ट लाइक टू न्यू पीपल. उन्होंने सैयारा बना दी. सैयारा हिट हो गई. वहां पे आशिकी 3 के एक तो राइट्स नहीं मिले इनको. भट्ट कैंप ने बोला हम राइट्स ही नहीं देंगे. ठीक है तो इन लोग ने आशिकी 3 नए किसी और नाम से बनाने का ट्राई किया. टू गेट द हाइप वो लीक्स करने स्टार्ट कर दिए. वो हाँ ठीक है. पहले तृप्ति को लिया आशिकी में निकाल दिया. तृप्ति का पूरा कंट्रोवर्सी हुआ कि तृप्ति एंड कार्तिक वर नॉट अपेरेंटली गोइंग वेल टुगेदर एटसेट्रा. सो दैट्स व्हाई शी वाज किक्ड आउट ऑफ द फिल्म वगैरह वगैरह. क्लैरिफिकेशन आया कि नहीं हमें न्यू फेस चाहिए था और तृप्ति जो है वो बहुत नेशनल क्रश और हाइप पे चली गई थी. दे कास्टेड श्रीलीला. उन्होंने उसको शूट के वो वायरल कर दिए क्या कहते हैं क्लिप्स वायरल कर दिए. दे फिर उसके बाद लोग तू मेरी आशिकी जो गाना है आशिकी 2 का उसके बैकग्राउंड के साथ जस्ट टू लाइक इम्प्रिंट दिस इमेज इन योर माइंड कि भाई यही है आशिकी. उसके साथ वो रील्स वायरल करने लग गए. But Sanyara was beyond
Yeah,
rager, bro.
correct.
Beyond तो फिर they realized कि उससे भी कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, फिर वो भी छोड़ दिया, और अब वो भी कहीं गायब, and they are apparently rewriting a few scenes, and now he's doing तू मेरी मैं तेरा तू मेरी. इससे बढ़िया सागा क्या होगा भाई लाइफ में. दो न्यू कमर्स, सबसे बड़ी रोमांटिक फ्रेंचाइज को
ले गए
भाई. And the other controversy that I have on my list is Ibrahim Khan replying to that one random
Yes, the-
reviewer.
Correct.
for,
Yes, reviewer in
Adania.
London, sitting in London,
हाँ,
yeah, yeah.
तो you ugly piece of shit.
Yeah, to bar, I'll make you uglier than you are right
I'll
now.
make you uglier than you are. I'll beat you.
Yeah.
I was like, bro, why did you not think?
He do
कि
that
तू
guy. I remember that guy's name was something like Tamur or Taimur. It was close enough to his brother's name, Taimur's name.
Oh.
So in reply, Ibrahim had said, "Ke oh Taimur, it's like my brother's name, but unlike him, you're ugly." That was
What? I think
said this-
उसने इब्राहिम को तैमूर बुला दिया था.
नहीं इस रिव्यूअर का नाम तामूर ऐसे कुछ था.
अच्छा हो गया, हो
हाँ,
सकता है.
it's close enough to
But
Taimur.
dude, like imagine, like, must have been a brain fade
Yeah.
moment for him. But you know, that's what
Or he was drunk or something. I don't
that's the downside of being like a star kid or like already having that much limelight.
Yeah, sure.
Why did he not think कि भाई अगर मैं इसको मैसेज करूंगा तो इसका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके डालेगा? Like that's like
so,
the first
so stupid.
thing.
Yeah, for sure, dude.
But ठीक है, that controversy also died down
Yeah,
pretty
yeah.
quickly. But that was one hell of a
Dude,
According
that
to
hardly
you,
got
that
legs,
was-
by the way. That
According
didn't
to
get legs.
Snail, that was Ibrahim's best performance of the year.
His
yeah,
best
making the controversy die down.
his best performance was in Bads of Bollywood. No.
Ibrahim
Ibrahim
tha?
Ali was in Bads, no?
Oh
that was
yeah,
it.
हाँ, like, वो इब्राहिम ने किया था.
For me, the best controversy of 2025 was Deepika Padukone versus Sandeep Reddy Vanga and versus Kalki 2.
Oh yes.
And so this happened around the same time. We also heard that Paresh Rawal was leaving Hera Fairy.
Correct.
Oh,
Around
yes.
that
Wow,
time
how
only.
did we not choose
People
that?
were
Oh
leaving-
yes, bro, Paresh.
He
Very
gave us
correct.
3 very good episodes
Correct.
viewership. Yeah.
Yes.
So
I agree.
that Paresh Rawal thing happened, okay, and then closely followed by another slew.
Deepika.
It seemed like Deepika was being kicked out, and right now
Yeah.
it seems like Deepika का काफी bad PR face चल रहा है.
But अब तो सही हो गया ना. She's been appointed as the first mental health ambassador of the country. Now
पर वो
she's
तो-
saying things
वो-
like कि now 600 crore films don't
Appeal to
excite me anymore.
Oh, I've done enough of
अब वो सब कर लिया है मैंने, बस अब हो गया है.
ठीक है,
And
fair,
that's why
if
she's
that's
doing
what it is.
King now, जो
But
400
it-
करोड़
for
के
a
बजट
while-
में बन रही
For a
है.
while, her public profile took a hit.
Yeah, I
for
agree.
sure.
I agree.
Did it though? I feel like it was made to look like it has taken a hit. I don't really.
No,
think-
bro, she had
It's
to
not
like lay
her-
low for a while.
lay low, sure. I
And
don't think her-
अचानक से then she came with like tides and tides of good PR में वो mental health
yeah,
ambassador
it's
भी
part
बन
of it.
गई
But
और
I
ये
feel
भी हो
like
गया.
Deepika has taken chances a lot in her career. She went and stood with the JNU students.
Yeah, I agree.
Many times she's spoken about her mental health and stuff. So she
Fair, you're right.
takes chances.
But still, dude, this became like it was
Bro,
talked
but
about
Vanga
widely.
actually posted
Yeah,
वो
I
कि
know, I remember
Spirit
that.
नाम
Kalki
का-
had to post about it.
Yeah,
This
the
moved on.
working hour situation. आज तक लोग कमेंट मार रहे हैं उसके ऊपर.
हाँ, bro. हाँ, correct.
I don't know. I'm with Deepika on this.
नहीं, अभी
We're not choosing
nobody
a
is
side.
taking
We're just saying
sides,
it's the
bro.
most fun
Controversy की
It's a
बात
fun
हो रही है.
controversy.
Yeah.
All of
true.
us could be with Deepika, but the controversy still remains.
नहीं, only Ranveer is with Deepika वैसे तो.
In her mind though.
Yeah. But in her heart, she's with everyone. No, sorry.
ठीक है.
Okay.
So yeah, these,
These were our cornies.
The cornies goes to Abhinav Kashyap, Deepika Padukone, and Ibrahim. All 3 of them. So
You know,
guys, if you had to sum up 2025 in one movie title, what?
Bads of Bollywood, bro. Bads of Bollywood.
True.
That's
yeah.
the
Bads.
year.
Yeah.
And if not that,
मुझे बुलाता था.
पूरी फिल्म में मुझे बुलाता रहा.
Can you imagine Salman telling an AD उस को बुला?
Yes, I can. I totally can.
And then it is like कौन वो तेरा डायरेक्टर
I've told you that story ना. Imran Khan once said कि Imran Khan was shooting for something and right next door Salman की कोई shooting चल रही थी. So Imran just went to say hello to Salman. This is when Imran was very new. Okay. So Salman famously has like a very elaborate van.
Yeah.
This thing.
Sure, yeah.
So he went to say hello to Salman. Salman was in his van. said, "Hello, Salman sir just came to say hello to you." Oh really? Come sit. I'll send something to eat. ये बोल के सलमान निकल गया. सलमान गया, खाना आए जा रहा है, शरबत आ रहा है, और इमरान is like, I'm eating, drinking everything alone in his van. Nothing's happening. अब बैठा हूँ. बोले क्या हुआ? मैं बाहर निकला तो सलमान सर was sitting on a chair smoking a cig. He looked at me. He was like, chilled. He's like, yeah. चलो सी यू. वो बच्चे को नहीं करते क्या? इसको बिठा दो, चॉकलेट खिला दो, हो गया बेटा, चलो
अब जाओ.
वो बात सिगरेट पी रहा है.
हाँ, वो
कुछ
बात
कर भी नहीं
सिगरेट
रहा. कुछ काम नहीं कर रहा है सर.
चिल्ड. ओके, चलो सी यू.
Such a Salman thing.
Such a Salman
Such a
thing, bro.
Salman thing. Chilled. हाँ ठीक है.
Nice. Alright guys, that brings us to the end of
Yes.
this very long episode. कितना लंबा हो गया यार? God damn, we've been recording for 1 hour 50 minutes.
Yeah.
थोड़ा ज़्यादा लंबा
Hopefully
हो
you'll see. Hopefully you'll see a much shorter episode. So you don't have to.
I think you should say thank you to all the people who tuned into this episode, to tune into this podcast all through the year.
Oh yes,
Thank you
this
so
is the
much.
last
This is the last episode of the year,
bro.
Guys,
probably.
who gets the best audience award?
Oh God.
Our audience.
All of you.
Our audience.
Our
yes.
audience.
All of you.
Yes.
I thought you were asking them to choose one of us. I'm like, why, bro?
No, what?
Like, yeah,
best audience, bro.
yeah,
Best
best
co-hosts.
audience. Bestest
All three of us.
audience.
Yes. Yes.
Guys-
All of you get cornies.
Yeah. This is
Yeah.
signing
and
off.
Abbas gets the pornies.
Gladly.
Guys, I was going to say something poignant and nice.
please.
Rounding off the
yeah. Poignant.
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 Okay, ठीक है.
Yeah.
Guys, as the year comes to a close, we have to absolutely, as Abbas said, thank all of you for
Yes.
tuning in to all these episodes and growing our channel, however much it has grown. And it's been a joyride
No
for
doubt.
us every
no
week.
doubt about it.
When an episode does well, it affects our mental health and makes us feel good. And when an episode does badly, it affects our mental health.
And that's why we're all with Deepika. As she's the mental health ambassador of the country.
Yeah.
You get it. But it's been an absolute joyride. We have a great time. We literally get to shoot the shot and have a money shot with our co-hosts here, and it's a baller time.
Yes. No
So
doubt about
it's
it.
it's always a wonder to us that anyone is interested in listening to anything that the three of us have to say. So huge thanks to you guys. Huge thanks to all the members who
Yes.
bought membership. If you haven't, please consider doing so. The caramel tier and the salted tier of Pop Conversation
Or we'll
are
have
available.
tears.
Or real
Can you
tears.
tell we've been recording for 2 hours, guys?
Bro, like the
yeah.
fact that it's a Thursday night. It's
Thursday, Friday morning almost.
Friday morning,
2 in the morning.
Yeah,
What?
3 a.m. अभी खाना भी नहीं खाया, and we all have to
2:30 a.m. in the
go to
morning.
our offices tomorrow.
Yes.
The 2 working people here.
Dude, I also have work tomorrow. Dude.
I don't know, you have work, but like
Yeah.
not a 9 a.m. commitment, no.
Not 9 a.m.
Yeah, so
I have 10 a.m. No, I don't.
but yeah,
not tomorrow.
that's how much joy this gives us, because
Yeah.
all of this like means a lot to us, and that's why we all push our hours and all of that. So बहुत shukriya to everybody
Absolutely.
who was there on this journey with us. कोई भी मुझे DM भी करता है, मैं उसको यही बोलता हूँ कि भाई आप लोग हमें थैंक यू कर रहे हो कि हम लोग ये एपिसोड बनाते रहते हैं, बट एक्चुअल में थैंक यू आप लोग को है कि आप लोग ना
time
सिर्फ
देते हो यार,
आप
yeah.
इतना टाइम दे रहे हो और सुन रहे हो, एंड यू आर देयर विद अस ऑन दिस जर्नी. Hopefully on to better and bigger things
Yes.
in
Hopefully,
2026.
I mean, yeah,
not
we are
much
all
more.
very thankful to you, but we'd still like to grow a lot more.
Yes.
So once again, last plea, if you know anyone who you think will enjoy our chats, our conversations, our reviews, please share the
Yeah.
show with them, and please request them to subscribe to the channel, become members, so that one day we also become really big and get guys
Yeah.
like
then we
Salman
also
Khan.
can be hypocritical, no? Then when we are
Yeah.
talking to Jana,
You know,
then
it'll
we
be
are आपने तो कमाल का काम किया है
Dude,
यार.
wouldn't it be amazing if we get so big that we start getting free tickets that we can then give to our fans?
Bro, that's not
To our
a
listeners.
lot whole level big. वो अभी और 4-5 महीने में हो जाएगा अगर हम 10,000
जाएगा?
सब्सक्राइबर तक पहुंच गए तो. That's
पहुंचा
fine.
दो यार बस.
That's
Bye.
completely okay.
Yeah.
Must.
But
Good
yeah.
time, looking forward to it.
Yes.
All right,
Thank you,
guys.
Yes,
Signing
thank
off.
you guys.
And a very happy New
Very
Year.
happy New Year. Merry Christmas if it already happened.
Yes.
Obviously, it has happened. It's the last episode.
That's
of the
it.
year.
Okay, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Belated Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Yes.
Have an amazing 2026 and
Hopefully, Bollywood also has an amazing
I
2026.
hope so, really.
Oh, by the
And
way, there are a couple of movies which are going to come out which we still haven't gotten to because we are banking this episode earlier on in December.
That's
Yeah.
21 and Tu Meri Main Tera Tu Meri.
So hopefully we get time to watch them and give you a review for them
for
beginning
the
of the next year.
yeah.
Yes.
So look forward to that. Till then, Happy New Year. Hasta la vista. Bye bye. Say hi to your mom. Bye.